Alrighty, good morning everybody. Good morning. What it do? What it do? What it do? What it do? W. Hey, where the W's at here, chat? Top of the AM to you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Let's get the show started. There they go. Alrighty, good morning. What's good? Z Gamers in the building, yes sir. Good morning everyone. How's everyone doing? Good morning David. David Tots in the house. Good morning David. Hey David, I'm gonna hit you up today, bro. Good morning George. Good morning Future FX. Good morning Red FX in the building. KKKK. What up, Ewan? What up, Ewan? What up, Ewan? What up, Ewan? Oh, Ghost of Me's here. What up, Ghost of Me? What up, Shiro? Where the dabs at, Shiro? What up, DL? Soca Players. Hey, there the dabs at. Big Folk Red was good. What up, Scott? Good morning, Austin. Good morning, C4. Good morning, Prickly. Good morning, Kerwin. Scott's in the house. Good morning, Kate. What's up, Kate? Good morning, Luca. Wall with the W's as always. Keto World is in the building. What's up, chat? Classic Trader, good morning. W's. What up, Greenery? What's good, gang? What is going on today? Happy Tuesday. Yes, it is. It's a lovely Tuesday here. Good morning, Joe Stewart's in the building. Good morning, Christian. What up, Christian? Got a trade. Good morning. Good morning, sir. Hey, yo. Crip Worldwide. Yo, what up, everybody? Hope you guys are having a good day so far. We're going to get started here in just a second. Let me just get this Zoom link out. All right. How y'all feeling today? Good? Oh, we got 2 minutes here for a closure. Back here, huh? All right, we got time. Feeling great. What up, Santiago? What up, XAU Breakout EA in the building? Big W's. Max Game, what up? Homie G. Hey, homie G's in the house. Hey, what up, Raffy? Your market's professional in the building. Now we're talking. Hold on, but where's my magic keys? Is that in the building? We got it here. All right, let me send the Zoom link out here and we're gonna get going. Boom, let me share my screen. Share screen. Alrighty. Alright, sweet. We're good to go. What up, Deep Meditation? Hey, that guy TK's in the house. Better get that magic keys. Yes, sir. Right on it, sir. All right. Let's do it, gang. Let's do a quick top-down analysis here. See what we got going on today on this lovely 11th day of July here. Let me lower the music a bit. And let's see what we got. Let me lower it here. Okay, cool. All right, you guys ready to roll? It's another day, another opportunity here, gang, to be disciplined, to be professionals, do what we do best. Let me just set this up. Enable waiting room. Yeah. Okay, cool. So perfect. So yeah, it's another day here, another opportunity here for us to get on the charts, come as professionals, do what we do best, take care of business here, and keep it moving for the rest of the day, right? So that's what we're going to be doing here today, as we do every day. We're going to do a top-down analysis here on gold and get everything started here as we move into the session. So let's take a look at gold here, guys. So gold is, let me just bring these handy dandy tools down. Gold is you know, one second here. I forgot how to use this stuff. Look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh wait, hold on. The likes aren't even. Whoa. Oh yeah, we gotta slow down because yeah, we can't do the breakdown unless we have 300 likes, because bro, we're on a roll right now, right? We got full steam ahead, and we haven't done a breakdown without 300 likes yet. So as an athlete and some superstitious stuff, yeah man, we gotta get these likes up. We really got to get these likes up. I was a pitcher growing up in baseball. Never once did I step on the white line. Never once. Jumped over that thing every time. All right, cool. You see how easy that was, gang? See how easy that was? The power of a community right there. That's why I love you guys. So let's do it. So let's talk about gold here. You know, we're in this monthly rejection zone, as we know. And we're trying to figure out what's going on here, right? We've come down, we've created this resistance here, started pushing down to the left. Hold on. Figure out what's going on here, right? Yeah, we need everyone to mute everybody. Okay, cool. So every single time we've been in this situation here on gold, what has happened, right? We have created resistances and pushed down. Let me use a different color. We have created a resistance and just started pushing down here. Same thing here. We created our resistance. Price was able to close bearish, move down. Same thing here, right? We've created that resistance. Price has been able to push, but now we're coming back up. And remember, this is a monthly candle here. So just because it's coming back up like this doesn't really necessarily mean anything. It's almost like this happening on a 30-minute candle within, like, you know, I don't know, 10 minutes of the candle, it going down, coming back up. Like it's natural, right? It's normal for a candle to do that. So not too worried about it in terms of that. I think we're creating our monthly top wick yesterday and today, and then I think we have news coming in. So we're gonna obviously start to, you know, make our way either up or down in a big way. So I think we've been able to establish that top wick here. I think we have we have news coming in tomorrow with CPI. So CPI may be able to start pushing us down based off those higher time frame directions, right? So we'll see what happens, right? I believe we closed bullish on the weekly, so we'll take a look at that. But you know, one thing we can say about this monthly time frame is, you know, we did close bearish last month, and we did close below this level here. That's very important, right? This is a very important area here. It's a very key area. There's also this range now here now, right down to 1820. So if price is breaking and closing back into that range, there's a very high probability, very high chance we come down and fill the range. Now, does that have to be this month? It doesn't have to be this month, right? We can even close bullish celery play for all we know this month, right? We don't know what's going to happen, but this is what we can expect to happen if we're breaking back into that range here. So with all that in mind here, let's go down to the weekly time frame, right? Let's take a look and let's see what's going on the weekly. We did just break the weekly highs here within the last hour or so, I believe, and we're starting to push up, right? So one thing I can see here on the weekly is that, you know, we did close below this level. This, what was that, 1940 or 1950? Yeah, 1950. And, you know, we also did close below here. So we closed below both of those areas. Now, this weekly candle right here is going to be a very, very big deciding factor of whether or not price wants to continue up over the course of, you know, the next week or two, or if we close below this level, then, you know, we may see price start to push back down, right, as we are breaking back into that monthly range. So, you know, these are scenarios that we could expect to see. We're not going to predict them. We're not going to you know, just throw it up and hope it works, right? We're gonna take calculated entries and positions on the lower time frames, right? So let's go down to the lower time frames. We do know that we broke the weekly high. One thing we can see here as well is that we have created a support, right? So we created this support here, and what do you notice here about the candles as well? We talk about this a lot. The candles are making higher highs and higher lows now, right? So you have a low, or you have a, you know, high, you have a low, you have a high, you have a new low here, you have a new high now. So if we're creating a new high, then we may start to push up, and I could see us possibly tap it into these areas for sure, right? Just kind of retesting that zone in which it left. We could see that here, you know, we could see that here today. We could see a really nice push this week. We got a lot of news coming in, so we'll see what happens with that. But let's take a look at the daily time frame, right? Because if we're going to look for positions today, how are we going to find positions, right? Well, one thing we could see here is, you know, you had a resistance right here on the daily time frame. Very strong resistance, as you can tell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 attempts. 9 attempts to break and close above here. Keyword there, close above, right? Because all these candles at one point looked just like the candle that you're looking at now, right? They all were bullish. And then they came back down. They all were bullish like this. At one point, this bearish candle looked like this, right? So many attempts to get up here, but so many failures. And what we're doing now is we're attempting, right? We have not done it. We have not closed above this level here yet. So, you know, this daily candle is going to tell us a big story, because if this daily candle can close above after breaking all these highs, then what can we expect, right? We could expect tomorrow's candle to continue pushing up to fill the range here. So this daily candle is big, right? It's a big decision maker, especially as we move into midway and late in the second half of the week, where we have a lot of news coming in. You know, this could be a very, very important candle closure here today. So if we're looking for positions, how are we going to find them, right? Let's take a look. Well, 4 hour has pushed up bullish, looking pretty nicely here. We did close bullish, but look where we closed. We closed right at this level of resistance here, right? You guys see this level of resistance right here? We closed right at it. So can we really take a buy, right? Can we really be confident in taking buys here? I can't. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. So let's take a look at the 1 hour, right? Because the 4 hour has been pushing up here quite a bit. Let's take a look here at the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour, you do have a resistance. Candle also closed here with no top wick. So there's no surprise that this next candle now drove down, right? What do we talk about when candles don't have no top wicks? Yeah, if a candle doesn't have a top wick on a bullish candle, there's no range for price to drive, right? If this is a candle and you have a wick, this wick right here represents a range, right? This is the range right here. You guys ever hear the term wick fill, right? This is the range in which the next candle will fill. That's why they call it a wick fill. So after you get that bottom wick, price pushes up, fills the wick. What do you notice about this candle here? It had no top wick. So if that candle's having no top wick or closing with no top wick, then, you know, there's a low probability that the next candle will drive, because there's no range for that candle to drive, right? So let's mark this off as our resistance here. Let's take a look left. What do you know, Geronimo? It lines up perfectly with this resistance too. Interesting how that works, huh? Very interesting. What do we see above that? Clean traffic to the left hand side, gang. So guess what? Guess what? I like what I see here. And I like what I see above 1938, and I will not touch a thing below it. I will not touch any buys unless we get a closure here today above 1938, 350. That's going to be where I'm going to look for buys today. Look at it. It's just beautiful clean traffic above going in the direction of the daily bias. If we notice, price loves to mimic whatever happened to the left. Clean traffic, clean traffic. If we get a closure above here today, what could we expect? Clean traffic. Clean traffic coming up into these levels at 1947. Clean traffic coming up to 1953 and all the way up into this resistance here today. So let's see what happens, right? That I would love to take advantage of all that range today, and we will, right? If we get the closures and if we get everything we're looking for when it comes to price action adding up and makes sense. So I'm going to look for buys above this level here at 1938 here today, 350. Going to have clean buys above there. Very, very clean traffic. Moving on up into at least, I would say, 1947 here today. That would be my target for buys and my first target there. Yeah, super clean. Yeah, first target would be up here, 1947 here on the dot. And in terms of sells, we will look for, let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame. We could look for range 2 sells below here. So we'll look for range 2 sells below here. Not going to jump on these sells right here. If we do get somewhat of a pullback, right, a couple candles to, you know, start pumping up, something like this, and then we get some sort of resistance, then just maybe I'll look to take my sells probably at this candle closure here, right, and then take my sells coming down. So wait for that range 2 to form here. Let's get that resistance, let's get that support to be broken, and then we'll take our sells coming down to fill the rest of that clean traffic to the left here today. Very, very simple day. Very simple day here today, right? Let's wait for a range 2 breakout. This would be perfect. This would be ideal. Take a picture of it. That may be what we see. But that'll be what I'm looking for in terms of sells here today on gold. And that's what I mean when I say range 2, right? If we're looking at range 1 right now, up here between these levels, right? And then we get a support formed, which we are attempting to, and then a new resistance, then this becomes our second range. So when we get a breakout out of this, basically a breakout, meaning this candle right here, out of this range, then we know that we're good to go down, right? We know we're pretty safe in terms of moving on down here. So wait for this range 2 to happen. We'll wait for the breakout here, and we'll take our positions on this candle coming down to fill this clean move right here, all the way down, right? We'll look to target 1931 here today. Sound Gucci? So very, very clean day here. Very clean. Very, very clean. Sound good, everyone? So range 2 sells below 1935, 874. 1935, 875. Call it like that. Range 2 sells. Very, very clean day here, gang. Got a lot of clean traffic. Let's be patient. Let's be disciplined. There's plenty of time to make money here today. There's plenty of time to find moves here today. Don't stress it. Don't try and get into trades too early. Don't try and jump the gun. Just let price fall into our lap, gang. Let it flow in naturally. We'll look to take our positions and call it a day and move on, right? So pretty simple. Pretty simple here today. Got a lot of clean range, I'll tell you that. Tell you that today. So I am definitely 100 gazillion, Brazilian, trizillion % staying out of this red zone here today. Not going to touch it. You guys can hold me accountable to it. Not touching this red range. Let's use green. But anything in this green range here for buys are super clean. Super clean. And then anything below here for sells, if we get that range 2, is pretty good. And then we got more clean traffic coming down. So that's the ranges here today, gang. Very, very simple day. Just be patient and just wait on it. All right. Brazilian. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, good morning, mates. Good morning, all Zoom mates. How we doing today? All right, chat. So that's gold here. That's gold. 2 trades on Tuesday. I could feel it. Ooh, yeah, maybe. Yeah, we it's been a while since we had 2 trades, right? No, actually that just happened like maybe a week or 2 ago when I lost quadruple the amount planned to lose. How do you make that rectangle shape? Where? Rectangle. Right there. 34 lots, 2 trades, yeah. Why no sell stops below the closure? Because we're going against the daily bias there. So we don't want to get jammed up there. Today I made over 1K on my account. Started with 400. Hey, beautiful, bro. Good job. Nick, I deviated from my plan yesterday. I lost more than 2%. Everything I've earned by following you. It's really hard to keep that going after since psychology is affected. Psychology, all that stuff's make-believe, dude. It's all make-believe. Just get that mental framework right. Move on from it, and today's a new day. What are we gonna do? Right? What are we gonna do? Ponder on it, right? Dwell on it. You got to get over it at some point. Might as well get over it right now. No worries, man. At least you know you deviated from your plan and you took a loss, which you should have, right? If you're deviating from your plan. You definitely don't want to take a win deviating from your plan. So you learn from it and now you move on. Simple. Let me fix my camera here, gang. None of you guys told me my camera's all herky-jerky here. Can we take a look at GJ? Yeah, we're gonna take a look now. Yep. Yeah, let's look at pound yen real quick and then we will... Oh, look, I still got yesterday's markings up here. Yeah, let's take a look here. Alright, so let's take a look at the weekly time frame. Look at this. Oh my goodness, look at this. This excites me, man. This excites me. Finally got some bearish movement here on GJ. So we could finally get some market direction, right? So let's take a look, man. We finally closed bearish on the weekly time frame, pushing... Where did we close? Did we reject some sort of level here? Let me see. What's this? Let's take a look. No, we didn't. Not too sure what we really ran into there. Yeah, but we have created resistance. That's one thing we do know. So we created resistance. Now we're pushing down. We broke the weekly lows here, pushing on down. Let's see what that looks like on the daily time frame. Oh yeah, gang, this is perfect. We got a daily close, daily candle close below this level here. Beautiful closure. This candle should continue down here today. We got a nice little range here. I think if we can also close below, that'd be great. But we got about a 70, 80 pip range, even maybe 100 pip range here on GJ to play with today. So let's take a look at the 4 hour and what that's looking like. So 4 hour candle did close below this level right here. Let's take a look at this level. So yeah, we did close below here, which is going to be the most important one, right? Some of you guys have time or have difficulty or struggle really pinpointing, hey, which one do we actually work with here, right? And that's gonna come. You're gonna develop that eye through experience, things like that. But you know, just for me to give you a little pointer is that through my experience, what I found is it's really the most common one, right? The highest area of interest where prices like this candle wick down to. We created a really strong resistance and support right here. We created two very strong supports here, right? So this is going to be the level in which I'm gonna, you know, execute my edge off of. And you know, because we could say, oh, this level, but that's the only area, right? Or this level, but you know, that one's not too strong either. Or you know, this one, but we're already past that level, right? So at this point, the strongest area is going to be right here, in my opinion, and based off of my experience. So what do? We close below. right? This candle closed below. We were able to push down and fill this range, right? See that? This became our new range. We had a candle closure below that level. This candle right here was our trading candle right there, right? That's the candle which you guys should have been trading during the London session, maybe, I think, yeah. So I don't know if any of you guys caught that, but if you did, great eye based off the 4-hour time frame. But this candle now we're waiting to see, right? Is this going to be a celery play to maybe continue down and fill this wick here based off the 4-hour time frame come like 9 a.m. Eastern? And that's about like a 30 pip range there. So let's take a look at the 1 hour. Let's see what's going on. So now we get some more information here, right? So we got a very strong level of resistance here. Obviously, let's scroll to the left-hand side. Let's take a look at that support. Yep, that's going to be our support here for the day. We're really looking to take sells here today. So I'm going to look to potentially take sells below 180, 832 here. Lots of clean traffic down to the left-hand side. I will look to absolutely take advantage of this without hesitation. If we get a closure below here on the 1 hour, let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame as well. Yeah, pretty much the same level here. So right there, 100% without hesitation, man. If our playbook position shows up, I'll be executing right here. So that's what I'm going to look for in terms of taking new sells here today. We may be able to get something a little higher, being that we are forming resistance, but we'll see what happens here at this level here. You do have an onion play here that could potentially work out. It's 720. Let's see how this 30-minute candle closes, because we closed bullish here. So let's see how the hourly candle closes, or yeah, I think we need to wait for the hourly candle here. Yeah, definitely. So yeah, let's wait on it. So I'll look to take range 2 buys above 181, 325 here today. Range 2 buys above there, and then if price action starts kind of maybe a closure below this level here, gang, but let's see what happens. Let's hold off on that, and let's keep it right here at this clean level of support, because if we get a closure below there on the 1 hour or the 30-minute, we got really nice range to drive. We don't want to settle down for a less probability setup, right? So let's be patient on the sells. Although it looks good right now and price does have to get down there somehow, we're still flip-flop, right? We're bullish, we're bullish on the lower time frames, we're bearish on the higher time frames. So let's just wait it out a minute, okay? But yeah, that's going to be what I'm looking at here for pound yen. If we do happen to wait till like 9 a.m., the new 4 hour, and we see this 4 hour celery play, we may look to take advantage of it at that point. So we'll see what happens. But for now, this is going to be the range that I'm looking to participate in, below 180, 777. Yeah, 777. Yeah, so that's going to be pound yen. So both pairs are pretty clean today. We got clean markets here today, gang. Clean markets. We should have no problem finding positions. So range 2 buys. Yeah, range 2 buys above 181, 325. Let me make this smaller. I think it looks better at like 14, 12. Yeah, 14 I think is best. And then clean sells below here. Clean sells. I think, yeah, let's do 14. I like 14 better. And that's it. That's the day. Range 2 buys. We'll see if we can target these areas up here. If anything, gang, we wait on buys here. If we don't get exactly what we want, don't even worry. You got really clean traffic above 181 here today. 181, yeah, 181,900 to continue on up. So that's gonna be the day there on pound yen. Very, very simple. Very simple.
Good morning, yo. Good morning, brother.
Good morning, Johnny boy.
How you doing?
Doing fantastic, my man. How are you?
Doing great, bro. Doing great.
You had a good morning here?
Had a great morning.
Perfect.
Yep. Morning, chat. Happy Tuesday. Another day, another opportunity.
Yes, sir. Yes, it is. For those of you taking the onion play right now, it's not a bad idea. It's really not. It could probably play out pretty well. I think I'm gonna wait here for the NY Open. I think that's gonna be best. Yeah, there's a pretty strong support here, but if you're taking this 1 hour onion, I can't even be mad at you. But that's not my position to take here today on this Tuesday. But it's not a bad position. So. How about gold? We already did gold. We're all set here on gold. If you missed any of that, oh, look at this. Yeah, look at that. We want to see a range 2 here because look, this could possibly be our fake out to continue up, gang. So we want to, if we get a support formed right here, I think, especially above this level here, I think we're gonna look to take positions because we have about a 10 pip vantage point, and then if this candle, and what candle are we talking about here? Remember, right? We're talking about the NY Open candle. So that candle can really like by the end of the hour, that candle could look something like this, right? If we do close bullish, you know, even if we don't close really like strong, it could still go the distance, right? It could still at one point have been up there. So, you know, we'll see what happens here. We'll see what happens. Nick, no trade zone. There you go. I'm just testing you, man. Yeah. So, but that's what you can expect right here, right? This onion play, pop off. But I think we'll be best getting our entries on that 30-minute 8:30 candle, not the 8 a.m. candle, but the 8:30 candle.
Hey, chat. Shout out those who took that London trade celery at 2 a.m. Shout out those who were in that. Good trade.
Good trade. Uh-oh.
Oh, yo, Nick, unmute Sam.
Hey, good morning.
Sammy the boy.
I trolled myself this morning, bro.
Sammy the bull. I had to troll you, you know? I had to troll you real quick. We do a little trolling.
No, I think I trolled myself. Yeah, it's good. What's going on, John? What's going on, Nick?
What up,
What's
brother?
going on, chat?
Morning.
You know, another beautiful day. Lay
Yes,
down
sir.
in front of me for the taking.
For the taking.
For everybody.
Yeah, man. Morning, Nick. Hey, morning, Muhammad. How was your evening, Sam? Did you have a good day yesterday?
Yeah, I did. Was chilling. Yo, you know, it's actually a funny story, bro. I was with 2 of my friends, and then dude, it was like 7:37. Like, I remember it, like, right on the dot. And I was like, yo! I was like, the first time I ever forgot. I was like, Warren!
Oh,
Dude,
yeah.
I got up and dipped.
No.
I was actually about to just fire it up right then and there with them. But there was some stuff I had to do at home anyway, so I was like, I'm just gonna go to my place.
Oh.
But and then I got home and I seen, and then I was like, well.
You know what?
Yeah.
Maybe you were getting out of there at the right time for the right reason. You never know.
Never know.
You never know. You never know. A rock, a big old rock could have just fell out of somewhere and just hit you in the head or something somewhere.
Yeah.
Pushed you on out of there. Yeah, nah. Yeah, we didn't do the war room last night. I was running around. I was so busy yesterday. It was like such a crazy day. But we're gonna do it either tomorrow night or we're just gonna hold off till next week. And next week I got my boy Riyadh coming. So you guys, yo, everyone gotta be there for this. This is gonna be insane. This man, I'm telling you, this man is killing it in life. It's that you can. Bible says you'll know them by their fruit, right? And this, oh man, what a great guy. What a blessed life. What a testimony he has. What a fruitful, family he has, and fruitful finances. And you'll know them by their fruit, right? You'll know them by their fruit. Great leader, amazing man of God. So he'll be there next week. I'm super excited to have him. He really gives the word in such a great way that anyone could understand it. So y'all got to be there next week, man. It's gonna be awesome. I am so fired up for it.
Yeah, I'm excited too.
Hey, Ewan's in the building. What up, Ewan? What up, Yogi?
You said it was a 1 hour celery? What
Right.
was that on? I don't know. I thought I heard you saying it a minute ago.
I think they were talking about in the London session.
Oh,
yeah, right here. Yeah, this was a beauty. Yeah, this was a beauty right here. Look at that. Clean traffic to the left.
Oh, yeah.
Got your closures you needed. Boom. Perfect. The only thing is this candle had no top wick, but I've noticed that's fine. It's normally not a concern. This was your entry right here. Boom. Break of the highs. This would have been my position right here. Stops below the lows. TP probably wherever the target was over here. Yeah, probably this area right here, which was that very strong resistance we're at. And then I would have closed partials right here.
Beautiful, yeah.
Closed 90%, 80%, 90% right there, and let the rest run. Looks like B would have got tapped though.
Anybody get that in the chat?
Definitely. I gotta say a bunch of people got this. Who took this position?
5.
They're in London off the 1 hour.
Wait, it even did like a 30-minute seller or onion too.
30-minute onion?
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, look at that. Support formed. So, yeah, that was beautiful, man. Great trade.
Fire. Beautiful.
Discord was wild over that, huh? Oh, yeah?
Oh, really? Yeah. I haven't. Let me look at it, bro.
Yeah, Discord was going crazy, huh? Yeah, there's a lot of action here last night.
Wow. Yeah, bro. I'm scrolling.
Sheesh.
I'm like, bro, it's still 4 a.m. on this.
Damn. All right. Hey, chat, if you're not in our free Discord, by the way, you can join our free Discord. There's a link in the description of the YouTube stream, and you're more than welcome to join. But that was beautiful. Yeah, a lot of motion here in the London stream last night, huh?
When did that? 2 a.m. I still gotta scroll, bro.
A lot of motion. Yeah, the Discord's got a life of its own now. You guys are killing it, gang. You guys are killing it in the Discord. Like, there's so much going on. It's kind of hard to read everything, but what I'm reading, I'm just so impressed. Some of the names, some of the guys that maybe I did one-on-ones with, or the girls I did one-on-ones with, like a couple months back, I see your names and I see the progression, and I'm proud of you, man. Like, you guys are killing it. Like, I want to say that. Like, you guys are crushing it. Where's Henry? Bro, Henry was on his last leg, dude. This man was about to quit it all. And I told him, bro, I just gave him some quick advice, and this man just passed his funding challenge, bro.
Let's go.
Crazy. Couldn't be more proud of that dude. Right? What did I tell you guys a couple weeks ago? Success is right past that do or die decision to quit, right? Some of you guys are walking in here, you're limping in, right? You're on crutches. You've been beat. The market has been beating the living daylights out of you. But to be honest, you're the one beating yourself up, because you're still making some, impulsive decisions when it comes to trading. But I'm telling you, once you get it together, it doesn't matter who you are. I can name. I don't even want to name names because I don't want to leave anyone out. There's so many people making adjustments, making those tweaks, and those necessary changes, gang. They're necessary for your success. right? You can't just keep making the mistakes over and over again and think, you know, in a year I'll be profitable, and in 6 months I'll be. No, you could be profitable next week, but are you going to make the changes? Are you going to fix those disciplines, those mental barriers that you got going on, right? I think you can do it. I know you can do it. So let's get it done, gang. Let's get it done. Yeah, I can't even name names. There's so many names, and I don't want to throw anyone out. But yeah. Look at that, Henry Restless. That boy Are you willing to go to all ends, right? Are you willing to go to the depths, man? Where the waters are unknown, to go get what you've been called to get? That's on you. Oh, 1K likes coming up. Oh, okay, chat. I see y'all. Was the sell at the 1 hour closure a bad entry? On what pair? Gold or pound yen? If you're talking about pound yen, I thought that was a good trade, but didn't really move too much. I think we're waiting for NY Open here. Yeah, I didn't think this was a bad opportunity here though. Killing the likes. Hey, almost 500 likes here today. Hey, if you guys haven't subbed to the channel too, subscribe to the channel. We're doing a $100,000 challenge account giveaway. It's happening. It's coming soon. God's got this number 5 all over the place. It's my favorite number too, and it's just I don't know what it is. Everything is just in 5 right now, and you know, $500,000 account, shooting for $50,000 months now, gang. $50,000 months. I'm shooting for some reason I just feel, you know, we've had like 2,000, 2,200, you know, viewers, but I just feel like 5,000 viewers are coming. They're coming quick, and they're rushing to us right now. And man, we're blowing up. So subscribe to the channel, and man, you're gonna have an opportunity to win a $100,000 challenge account. This is life-changing. 100K account changed my life forever. So that could be yours. And we're going to continue to do giveaways because I believe in giving people just opportunities. You know, I think that the harder you work, like the saying goes, the luckier you get. And sometimes, you know, all you need is that one break, right? That one break, whether it be a challenge account, whether it be some sort of mental adjustment. But I feel like most traders just need that one tweak, that one adjustment, that one opportunity, and they could change everything in their life for their family and, you know, the way I see it, for generations to come. You know, I'm very serious about the next generation and the kids, and you know, we got a job to do, men and women, right? We got a job to do out here. 5 is the number of grace. Doesn't surprise me. Praise God. Man, I feel His grace in such major ways. It cannot be denied. It's too good to not believe. Too good to not believe, like Brandon Lake said. Yeah, they're coming. Magic keys giveaway. Oh yeah, you know what? Good idea. Yep. Yeah, we're gonna do a lot more giveaways here. We've already done, I think, 3 or 4 giveaways, right? I think 3 or 4. Yeah. Hey, Laron, who has his 100K account, got that off of a giveaway and got a payout. You guys seen it, he posted his payout. What was it, like $3,500 bucks? $3,500. He had an opportunity. He was working his tail off for the last 2 years, trying to get things in motion. He finally started making the adjustments and tweaks in his system. All of a sudden, he enters a random giveaway, gets an account. Now he's funded. Life-changing income. Shout out to LeBron. Way to take advantage of the opportunity in front of you, bro. Oh, my boy Nick finally seen my Magic Keys giveaway. Yeah. Hey, good morning, Nick from Brandonton. Hey, yo, what's good? Live funded account giveaway? Nah, y'all gotta work for it, man. You don't need a live account.
What's the point?
You can do it, right? You don't. You know what's so funny? One time in my struggle, I asked my boy, hey bro, would you want to just pass my challenge account for me? And I'm so happy in his experience and in his wisdom with trading, he said no. So happy he said no. And he told me, you know what, everyone I do that for, they never go on and succeed and make long-term profits anyway. And you know, I thought to myself, like, damn, I was hoping he would do it. But then as a winner and as someone who has already done a lot, you know, in life in terms of entrepreneurship and earning things, I thought to myself, you know what, he's right. He's right. I gotta earn this, because if he gives it to me, if I just get someone to pay, you know, if I just pay someone to pass my challenge for me, am I really gonna be able to sustain that? Am I gonna be able to hold that long term, right? Or is that just gonna hurt me? You know, is it gonna help or is it gonna hurt? And I was like, now looking back, I'm so happy that he did not do that for me. So pumped. Just
Yo, unmute John. He's showing himself now. Unmute Johnny, boy.
He's showing himself. Why is this? Oh. Yeah.
Right.
Oh, welcome back.
Thank you.
How many challenges have you failed? Quite a bit. I failed quite a bit. You send signals off the stream? Yes. Yep. Yeah, no, I didn't take any other position. Yesterday, I actually didn't even have like my computer up, nothing. So I wasn't looking at the charts at all after the stream yesterday. I had a super busy day yesterday, which is crazy. 10K chat. Yeah, that's right. 10K, yeah. Wait, was it 10K? Or 20K that we did? I think we gave away 20K challenges. I forget.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they were 225.
Yeah.
I think she's saying she wants 10K challenges.
Oh, you want 10K challenge. Oh, yeah, there you go. Well, you get the 100K. So you'll have it. It'll be yours.
What up, Yogi?
Yogi's in the building. Oh man, a close above close above here at NY Open, or really the 830 candle would be lovely. I would much rather take it on the 830 candle. But we'll see what happens here. Clean traffic to the left.
Hey, Vin, it's because you got that warrior spirit in you, bro. Keep fighting. I believe you're right there.
Good morning, everyone. Happy to be here. Hey, happy to have you here, Lisa. My Forex funds or the funded trader? My Forex funds for now. I haven't got a payout on the 400K account or anything like that yet. So once all that happens, I'll give you guys a much better review on the funded trader. So far so good. No issues, but I can't really give you like a legitimate review yet. Bro, it's 6% more, and I have 24 days left. Am I good, Nick? Plenty of time. Plenty of time. What is time? Plenty of time. Oh, 4 25K accounts. Ooh, all right, we'll think about it. Me and the mods will think about that. Because then 4 people have an opportunity. Makes sense. We'll think about it. Agreed on that. Okay. Nova funded legit. I never heard of them. I would never use them. Unless I got some. The only other one outside of the obvious ones like FTMO, my Forex funds, the funded trader. I mean, there's a lot now, so I don't even want to start naming names, but. How's the chart looking time-wise? Looking pretty good. Let's see if we can. Looks like we're forming looks like we got a fake out back into the range if we can close bullish here. And then what I'd like to see is the next 30-minute candle give us that closure above. If we can get the closure above on the next 30, which will be the 8 a.m. candle, looking something like this, right? Leaving us a nice wick like that, then we could look to take positions at 8:30 coming up. and that'll be our move. So that's what I'm looking for. That would be ideally what I would like to see here today. Nice 8:30 move, and then we could always look for something again, you know, right around NYSE open.
Yep. Be very possible.
You dig? Yeah, very, very possible. So we'll see if we get this fake out back into the range, and then we get 8 a.m. to NY open to push us up here, and then 8:30 we'll look for that trading candle there.
Morning, Owen.
Yep.
Morning, gang.
Hey.
Morning, Uncle Scalp.
Good morning, JPY.
How you doing? How you doing?
What's going on, brother?
Good morning.
How you doing, Uncle Scout? Mr. 5 a.m. Club?
Oh,
Yes, sir.
Blip asked me, in your experience, do traders start from failing to then profitable, or from failing to break even to then profitable? It's usually, well, at least for me, it was from failing to break even to then profitable. But I saw someone else in here that also asked, I feel like I'm in a limbo with trading and not making profits nor losses. Can you please advise me how to get out of the break-even stage? Focus on taking less losses. You know, those unnecessary losses that Nick talks about. Like, you know, I'm sure he can give you lots of advice on that. But if you just want one quick thing, that's what I would say. You know, really journal your trades and pay attention to, you know, what you're doing when you're trading actually. You know.
Yeah. Yeah, those unnecessary losses that we talk about, right? Some things, you know, things that are unnecessary sometimes. You know, I was reading the scripture earlier today, and we were, you know, talking about Moses, and you know, he tried to kind of speed God's time up, right? He took it upon himself to, you know, dispute an argument, and you know, ended up killing someone. And he didn't know that 40 years later, God was going to free the people regardless. And that impulsive decision cost him, right? Cost him a lot of time. And he was trying to do something, but God had a different timing for that, you know? So he tried to rush God into doing that. And some of you guys rush into the markets. And, you know, Moses paid a price for that, right? And he had to go out and live in the wilderness. Like, he just, you know, delayed his timing, pretty much. So that happens to us sometimes in trading, right? We act too quickly. We act on our own authority and not on what we're supposed to do. You know, that works in life, that works in trading. And, you know, sometimes we slow the process down, you know, and we try and rush it and end up setting ourselves back a little bit. So don't try and rush anything. Don't try and take too many trades. Like Sam said, these unnecessary trades, they just add up, right? They just start adding up in your P&L. And you don't want that, gang. You want to wait. You want your P&L to look like this. All right? You want your P&L to look like this. Hold on. All right, let's get the one loss, right? You see there's one loss there. So because every single decision that we made here was calculated. Everything was planned. Nothing was rushed. Nothing was forced. And you know what? We can make an argument that the only trade that was actually in a way forced was this loss. Right? Was that loss. Now that loss also should have only been 1,000 and not 4,000 because I made a mistake there with my lot size. But even if it is 4,000, it still doesn't hurt me, right? But that's how your P&L should look like when you're being disciplined and professional in the markets, and you're not forcing anything. You're not trying to make the market do something that it doesn't want to do. Great example, gang. Great example yesterday with our trade, right? We got into a really nice onion play here. Let's take a look at it. That was off the 1 hour, right? Where is it? I don't know if we could see it here, but we took a really nice position, Based off, oh, am I looking at pound yen here? Oh yeah, my bad. I'm looking at GJ. Where was it? Right here. Right, we took this position yesterday. Clean move, man. Clean move. I would take this position any day. Right? Here's what happened, and I want to go over this really quick because I think it can help some of you guys out, especially like my own thoughts, right, during this trade. So yesterday, and this is all about being fluid in the market, and you know, not trying to have an ego and not trying to get something that the market's not going to give you. So here's what happened, right? We had this onion, we had this resistance formed. We broke the lows. That was our entry after it created a top wick. Broke the lows. We took our entry. Our break-even point was this support here. Our TP was down here, looking to fill this range here. Now, what happened here, right? We broke the lows. We got in. We started, you know, maybe it stuttered for a little bit. Eventually, we pushed down for about 9 pips, right? And then we came back up. Now, I didn't want to close anything or move stops to break even at 9 pips when we have this support right here to the left. Right? I didn't want to do that, so I didn't do that. Then what happened? You know, we came back down, we broke the lows, but just a tiny bit, right? Came back up, started coming back up, and then the third time we came down, we were unable to break the lows. At that point, I'm thinking strike 1, strike 2, strike 3, I'm out of here, right? Last couple minutes of the 1 hour candle, we were going against the daily bias. We were late in our session. You gotta know when to pivot. You gotta know how to be fluent in the markets, right? You just want to flow in this game, man. You don't want to force anything. You just want to flow with it, right? And then we took our profits, right? And guess what happened? Stops would have got hit. Stops would have got hit right here. So would you rather take 6, 7, 8, 9 pips, call it a day, or would you rather get stopped out for 23 pips? Right? Those who, and don't take this the wrong way, but those who have had an ego and they said, no, I'm not closing this, you know, I'm not forcing this. Sometimes these guys close trades too early. Well, you know, you took an unnecessary loss there, right? When you could have just been fluid in the market and understood strike 1, strike 2, this thing's coming down for a third time and we can't break. 3 minutes left of the hourly candle. You got to make a decision. As traders, you got to be able to think on your feet, man. You got to be able to be on your toes at all times and know when to move and how to move, right? You got to be a very quick decision maker when it comes to these markets, especially with our strategy. You can't be messing around. You got to take this thing serious, you know? We have a lot of fun, but man, we're here to make money, right? We're here to do a job. So those that want freedom, you know, you got to get professional here. And you got to get fluent in the markets. And, you know, if we're attempting that 3 times, hourly candles closing, I'm out of here, man. I'm cool. I'm cool with my $600. I'll trade another day, right? So that's a little bit about that trade yesterday. But this was a good position to take, right? We just couldn't get there. When the market started showing signs that we're not going to be able to do it, I'm out. I'm out. I don't need to say, no, I'm holding, you know, only 6 pips. No way I'm closing there. I'm closing, gang. I'm bagging my profits. And if that thing wanted to drive at that point, it could drive. But based off of experience and my edge, I'm gonna take some profits, right? I'm gonna bag some money right there. Call it a day. And that's what we did.
Gems.
That's what we did.
Yep. I feel like that's another one of those situations where it's like, rather be out of a trade wishing I was in than in a trade wishing I was out too.
There you go.
Like,
yeah.
It just gets to that point. Like you said, 3 strikes.
Yep.
You know.
Yep. And that's
hourly candles closing up.
Yeah.
It's coming to like later in the New York session. Yeah, there's like so many things.
So many red flags.
Going against the daily bias.
Yep.
Yep.
And I'm so happy because me and John were talking later that day, and he actually brought up the 1 strike 2. You know, it's so funny because I was thinking the same exact thing in my brain while that was going on. So that's what I was thinking in my brain, gang, while we were all on stream thinking, okay, you know, here we go, you know, and you got to be able to, like I said, just make decisions, right? And understand what's going on, where we're at, what's the time, right? Some of you guys played sports. You understand that sometimes there's time on the clock, right? You're gonna slowly just dribble down as a point guard with 2 seconds left on the clock in your basketball game, or you're gonna rush it, right? You gotta make a decision. You gotta get down there, maybe attempt a attempt a shot, you know, or something like that. But same thing here, right? We want to know, hey, where are we? What is that? Where are we at in this candle? You know, one thing I know for a fact is that every single time an hourly candle closes, it's going to possibly pull back a little bit. Then the next one's going to open, and then that one's got to pull back, right? If it's going to create a top wick. So do we really want to be in that unnecessary drawdown at that point, right? Or we just want to bag our profits, get out the trade? It's already late in the session. You know, we already know we're on the charts maybe a little bit longer than we normally do, and get out of there with a win, right? So you got to know when to take your profits, and you got to know how to really speak to the markets. Or should I say listen to the markets. Listen to the markets. It's like likes are like, hey, we're almost at 1,000 likes here. Can we get to 1,000? We're more than halfway. It's like a QB calling an audible. Yep, exactly. All right, 57. Exactly. What's your advice on someone on quitting trading? I don't know. I'm not too sure what you mean by that. Bev? What do you mean by that, Bev? On someone edge quitting trading. I'm not too sure what you mean, brother. We should have I love this guy. I love Austin, man. We should be at 800 likes. Come on, this is easy work now. Let's go. You guys ever seen that video? Papi Nano, let's go. Papi Nano, he's messing with that guy in the at the gym. Yo.
Oh yeah.
If you've never seen that, I gotta pull that up, man.
Nah, I never saw that. That's funny. He's like, Papi Moñeno.
yeah. The guy's like, all right, get out of my face.
Yeah,
he goes to the gym guy. He's like, he's bothering me, man. He's bothering me.
Oh yeah, he's like the manager and that. That was funny, bro.
Oh man. Oh. How old are you? How old am I? I'm 33 years old. Loaded with guns, ready to execute.
Someone asked, they're up 2%, and you have 28 days. Is that enough, bro? You have to be trolling. You just started it like 2 days ago.
28 years young. Sorry. Yes.
Gotta stop thinking about the time. Those of you who are taking funded challenges, you know, don't let the time be like in your way of your goals, right? Just put that to the side. Your plan, focus on taking the best trades, and that's the best thing that you can do. Don't focus on time. That's just going to stress you and put stress on you, and during a session you're going to think about that and want to get in a trade, maybe force a trade. So just don't think about that, right? Like we always say, the best advice we can give is just act like the account is already yours. Don't have any time in your head, and just trade it like it's real money, like it's your account.
Yeah.
1000%.
Yeah.
And that's how we've always treated it, right? Like ever since we really got a good handle on perspective, like that's how we treated it. Before we had live accounts or live funded accounts, we in our own mind, we believed we had them before we had them. We traded as if we already had them, right? Because nothing's gonna change, right? Like if you just swing and just get a good pitch and hit it out the park, and you pass it and you make it happen, you got your funded challenge, and you don't have the skill set just yet, you know, nothing's gonna change, right? Unless you get another grand slam and just get a nice juicy, you know, fastball thrown at you, you know, that's not gonna come every day, you know, that's not gonna come all the time. So, you know, you really gotta have that skill set, and you gotta act as if, right? Success is all about acting as if, and that's how you make things a reality in life. So forget about the time, right? Just let's see what you can do. Right? Let's see what you can do. If this is your live account, let's see what you can do. Right? and you should be at 8%. It shouldn't be too difficult. You should be able to get there no problem.
Yeah.
Let your winning method play out over a consistent series of days, right? Come every day with the same attitude, same ideas, same plan, and just focus on that.
Yep.
I like to think long term too. Just like, I'm talking like, what? I draw a blank when I come to their names, of course. The big long term investors. You want to be like them. You want to have a system that you're looking to do this for years. Are you in this to just pass one funding account, or like you in this for, you're trying to have a system. You're trying to have a strategy that you're only going to act on whenever you get those certain things that line up within your strategy. Right? Are you in here like just trying to gamble, or do you have a strategy that you're following long term? Like they were just saying, treat it like it's a live account. There's no time limit on that. It should be the same thing with how you trade your fund account. There shouldn't be a limit. Your strategy shouldn't change because there's a time limit. So you just trade it like there is none. Because I promise it'll work out.
Yep. Yeah.
Like Sam said about long-term success, right? A winning method, aka our playbook setups, plus the mental skills, patient disciplines, persistence, equals long-term success, right? So put those two together in yourself and you will get long-term success. Those are what the professionals have, right? And the professionals have long-term success, and they add those two things together to get that too. So do that for yourself.
Yep. Professionals also, they don't care about any one given trade. Like, they care about it, but they're not dwelling on it. They're not celebrating it. It's just one trade, right? It's just one single trade. We all know trading is probabilities, right? So in order to have probabilities, there's going to be, a chance that you lose trades. So, why focus on one trade when that trade could be a loss, and that could just wreck you, right? All of a sudden make you very upset. Nah, just one trade is one trade. All right, so looks like we got a closure here back into the range. That's perfect. You're gonna most likely see this 830 candle drive up here and start to push up. Now we did close bearish here on the 30 minutes, so I'm not gonna take these buys here off of the 1 hour time frame. I'm going to wait for the 30-minute candle to close here, and then we'll see where that 30-minute or maybe even the 15-minute candle, depending, right? If this 15-minute candle can close above, then we could look to take our buys coming up. So that's what we'll wait on right now. Let's let this crazy wacky first 30-minute NY open candle do its thing, and then we'll look to see if we can capitalize on some opportunities after that. Hey, 700 likes coming in, 1,400 here in attendance, 1,500. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Hope you guys are enjoying the streams. We're here Monday through Friday, every single day for the New York session. Come tap in with us. Let's take a look at the Dow here as well. Let's take a look at US30, see how we are looking. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Yeah, nice buying opportunities here. When was that? Yeah, you see, that was yesterday here after our session. So the US30 trades really nicely after 9 a.m. So we may be starting to really capitalize on this pair here. Just wait on it. We got maybe, I would say, another week or so, and we're in there. So let's take a look, right? Let's take a look at the weekly time frame. We're just a mess, right? Weekly time frame is just a mess. We're just in a nasty consolidation range from whatever level this is here, right? 34,400 to like 33,700. Nasty range right now. So we need price to make a decision on the weekly time frame, right? So looking like a receipt, like a barcode receipt, right? So let's see here. The 1 hour did close bullish, right? 1 hour did close bullish yesterday. We had a support right here that was formed right there, and it looks like the 1 hour candle also did close above this level right here. See that resistance right there? We closed above, So for that reason, this candle should be able to drive up. You know, this candle has no top wick either. We might see price come into this range up here today. Taking a look at the 4 hour, right? Let's mark up our resistance. It's right here. So that's what we got our eye on here today. You also have a support level, you know, right here. Well, not yet, but it looks like it's forming up. So if you do get that 4 hour close, that's going to be clean for us to take advantage of these buys here. So looks like the 1 hour candle did close above. No bottom wick yet though, right? No bottom wick on that current candle. 30-minute closed above as well. Let's see what happens. If we get a bottom wick, we may attempt to have buys on the break of the highs here on our sample size data. So clean move here, moving up. So let's see, we need a bottom wick and then re-break the highs. And let's also look at the Nasdaq here. Let me just make buys above here. And then yeah, sells will probably be below these levels down here. All right, cool. So let's take a look at NAS 100 as well. Look, we would have never got activated there yesterday. So we had sell stops on the break of the lows here, but that was while this candle made the low and then it came back up. We put our sell stops on the break of the lows, and we would have deleted them, right? This candle we would have never had buy stops for that, but we would have deleted those. So that position never happened. So I would have been a no trade day on the Nasdaq yesterday. But that was yesterday. Let's look at today, right? Let's see what's going on. Weekly time frame did break the lows before really creating a steep top wick. I think we're starting to create that steeper top wick now. Daily time frame did close bullish yesterday. So we closed bullish yesterday. We've broken the highs here today. Let's take a look at the 4 hour time frame as well. 4 hour time frame is looking pretty good. Looking pretty good as well, right? We got clean traffic to the left hand side. We did close bullish on yesterday's daily candles, therefore we are bullish on the day. Let's see what the story on the 1 hour time frame looks like. So look at this. So candles closing with no top wicks, creating that range. I think we can wait for buys above this level here and look to take advantage of this clean traffic here to the left hand side, about 100 pips or points, or I don't know what you call them with the Nasdaq there, but are they pips? I think they're pips, right? So yeah, that'll be the day for those other two pairs that we're sample sizing here. Buys above, you need a nice clean closure above here, and you could take buys above there. If not, you know, probably range to sell. Yeah, probably sells below this level here. So pretty simple. We'll keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on it. If I forget to go back, send me a reminder in the chat. All right, cool. Look at this. You kind of got a celery play going on here, based off the 1 hour time frame. We're gonna see what happens here. So this is the range 2 we're looking for. So if we get a closure below here on the 30-minute time frame, y'all already know the deal, right? Range 2 sells below here. We need that range 2. So we got our support, we got our resistance. This becomes our new range on the 30-minute time frame. So if we can get this candle to close below, we'll be looking very, very sweet to come on down. Oh wow. Gold? Gang. What? Bruce might be coming? Yeah, Brucey might be coming. Bruce. Yeah, we got time though. We gotta wait. We got a 15-minute candle closure coming up, so we'll see what happens with that. If it closes below, we could take sells coming down. Yeah, that 30 close. See, so that's why I don't want to take any buys on this this candle here. Let's see if we break the lows. That'll be extra confirmation. I think there they go. Yeah, there go the lows there. So perfect, perfect, perfect. So yeah, lock it in here, chat, because we may be looking to take positions in just a few minutes when this 15-minute candle closes here. Hey, if you're not in our free Discord, join our free Discord here. Nightbot, hit him with the Discord. Hit him with the Discord, Nightbot. Yeah, so we need to close below this level here. So let's leave that so I don't confuse anyone. And let's just put a new sells below here. Simple. You guys see the range too, right? Does anyone need clarification on it?
Great example of it.
Do you live trade every day? Yes. Every day. Yeah, the slide is big. Yeah, we ain't gonna bring buffer out yet. We don't want to get too hyped, right? All you guys are in your room right now like, yeah, bro, we're gonna get a trade. Let's chill. Big if.
Gotta bring out buffer.
Big if.
We will get in the trade if our trade presents itself to us.
You guys like, let's go. Second trade of the week, man.
And
You guys-
about to start doing backflips.
You guys about to start being like,
Tell them to bring out the whole ocean.
tell them bring out the whole ocean. Oh, man. Aren't we bullish on the day? Yes, we are. That's why we're waiting for the range 2. So we've got our support. We've got our resistance that we're looking for here. We planned this out earlier this morning. And now if we get a close below there, we're pretty solid to continue down. Yeah, we should get a nice push at 820 as well. You smart, you loyal. Buy or sell? Tell them bring out the whole ocean. Comics coming. Yeah, comics should be able to. We're not going to touch this before. Oh, yeah. Actually, if we get a closure, we are going to touch this. Yep. So, yeah, if we get a closure below, I believe comics will push us down. Especially if we get a 5-minute close below. That's going to look really good. Nice, clean range here. Yeah, the only time I look at the 5 is when we're coming up to comics, to be honest. Because typically the whatever candle closes before on the 5 is usually, the 5 will usually follow suit for comics. Comics. But we don't know. Maybe this was a quick little, let me get all these stop losses, these tight stop losses below here and do people dirty and then keep it moving. So that's why we want to wait. Just wait on it. Oh man, that felt good. Let's take a look at pound.
Right now we're building our patience and discipline, waiting for our setups. As we wait for our setups, we get better in that area.
Yeah, how many guys and girls are strengthening that patience muscle? I'm making y'all work.
I'm strengthening mine.
I'm like that trainer that you don't want to go train with, you know? But you know you're gonna get right though. I'm gonna train y'all to get right, man. Get that bank account looking right. Alright.
Get that mind in good shape.
Get that mind looking right. I have abs already, but do you have financial abs? This is the question. Hey, Micah's in the building. Micah, you better be at the Tampa meetup, dude.
Yeah, dude, he better be there.
You better come with that same energy, boy. Better come with that same energy. I don't want to hear. I'll. You know what?
Like you got a free shirt with your name on it.
I'm flying Micah out. The plane ticket's on me. The plane ticket's on me. From Missouri, right? Missouri, I remember.
Late.
Like it's quaking now.
Wait, where'd Micah go? Hey, yo, Micah, where'd you go?
Hey yo!
If the plane ticket is really on you, I'll come. Yeah. What do you think? I just say things, bro? What do you think? I just waste precious oxygen out of my lungs? Awesome. All right, so let's see here. Let's take a look back at gold. So yeah, we really need that closure. If we don't get the close here, we'll wait for the 30-minute candle. No problem. No problemo. Hey, it's the markets world. I just live in it. Whatever you want to do. Whatever you want to do, sir. The only boss I got is, well, yeah, the market.
Yeah, we're a bandwagon to the markets. Just leave it like that.
I'll listen real good to the market. All right, so we didn't get a closure below there, so we're gonna wait for the 30-minute time frame here. All right, everyone can take a deep breath now. Yeah, 15 closed nice, but it didn't close great. It closed good, but it didn't close great, right? So now we gotta wait. And by all means, if this is your position, that's your position, go ahead. Either way, I want to see price close below, and I'm anticipating that, so maybe you'll push it down for me. But it closed good.
Yeah, we need liquidity.
But not great. Brad K in the building. I'm in church today trading. We have a good day. Yes, sir. My plane ticket to the US is one. Oh. W to everyone not in a trade right now. I live in Tampa. I'll meet with you. Oh, I'll meet with Micah first.
Hey, yo.
There you go.
That's I want to meet him.
That's funny. Yeah, we're gonna do a Tampa meetup in like September.
Good.
So you guys know now, so you can all get your tickets or plane tickets. We're not gonna be like charging for a meeting though, but like, we're just gonna meet up.
$50 a head.
$50 a head, yo.
150.
Limited spots only. Get your tickets now. We're only accepting 30 applications for this lunch meetup.
Hey, good looks, George.
Bro, I better see all the mods there.
Yeah, facts.
$100 spots only.
199 spot. Oh man. Yeah, don't worry, it's on me. The lunch is on me. 150 a ticket. Don't worry, I got the lunch. I'm in there, baby. Oh yeah, Red FX we know will be there. This is already range 2 for you? Not yet. We need to close below here. If we get the closure below there, then yes, that's going to be a range 2 for me. Because this was our first range. Right here. This range right here. Right? And then we got a closure below that, right, with this candle. This candle right here. close below this range, but we didn't jump on those sells. And look what would have happened, gang. So remember, the whole range 1, range 2 is to avoid fake outs. Anyone taking sells there got faked out. Whether it's still in the trade or not, we don't know, but you know, that's irrelevant. But yeah, so pretty much we got this new range now, right here. Let's make it red. So this becomes our range 2. We got that resistance here. We drew this out early in the morning too, by the way. And that becomes our range 2. So now if this candle closes below, we take our sells coming down.
W for avoiding fake outs.
Yeah. 15-minute pushing very nicely here. Five-minute celery, nice. Yep, looking good. Let's wait on that 30. GJ not doing nothing yet. Let's get magic keys up and rolling. All right. Pushing, pushing. All right, so let's wait on this 30-minute candle here and we'll possibly be looking for positions. A nice closure right around that yellow line would be just perfect. Pull back, even if it pumps down a little bit more here and pulls back, that'll be great. Leave us a nice wick fill and continue down. What did you see to not enter the fake out? Oh, we didn't get the oh wait. What did you?
No entry.
Huh? What account are you using? I'm using both accounts. So I have the 100K here and then the 400K is on a copy trader. Yes, I use both accounts. So let's take a look here. So if we get a pullback, that would be very nice. TP will be down here at 19, probably like 1930. Somewhere down here in 1930 here. I think that's going to be a nice clean move. Yeah, nice 35 pip move. So let me do this. All right, so that was a nice push there from 820, right? Very nice push. What do we say? The way the 5-minute closes is usually that you get the push right after that in the same direction. So now that we got 820 push, maybe we'll pull back here and we'll get our perfect entry. The one we're looking for, right? 1930. Patience. What copy trader do you use? The social trader, I think it's called. Yeah, social trader. Hey, we got almost 9K subs, gang. If you haven't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel now. We're doing 3 giveaways here pretty soon. A $100,000 challenge account giveaway. We're doing two people are also going to win 3 months worth of signals, and depending on what the chat thinks, maybe we'll do, instead of 100K, we'll do 4 25K challenge accounts. We'll see. I'm down for either or, whatever works. Hit the likes, troops. One lucky winner for 100K or 4 lucky winners for 25K? What do you think? Comics, comics, comics. Alright, give me a sec. I'll be right back, boys.
Damn, everyone wants to 4 times 25.
What up, Tandy?
Good, Tandy.
Wendy.
Wendy in the building. 10 lucky winners of 10K. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. I don't know. It's kind of split.
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay.
Everyone chat
I
wants.
just make a poll, bro. Someone? It might have to be late. I was like, that's probably the easiest thing to do.
Did someone say good morning, Tandy?
Tandy in the middle.
Morning, Tandy. Hope you're having a good time out there with your girl down in North Carolina. You got some big things happening on this trip or what, buddy? Huh?
Hey, Tandy, you told me that's where you want it to be, right?
Big
North
trip or
Carolina,
what,
so
kid?
you're living the dream.
Oh, look at this. So we got a nice pullback here, gang. This is what patience. This is the reward of patience. Look at that, right where that yellow line is. Can we do it? Can we just get that perfect opportunity? Tandy. This is the goal. Oh, some of you guys want 4 25K accounts.
You have to make a poll, bro.
Hey chat, where were you guys at during yesterday's trade, by the way? You guys were talking it up and then all of a sudden just ghost. Just gone. Just gone. Had me sitting in the trade talking to myself. Oh, 4 25K accounts. We'll make a poll before we do it. Well, we need to make that poll quick because we're coming up on 9K.
Break it.
We were quaking.
Yo, seriously, chat was quaking.
That's what I was thinking. I was like, dang,
Yo,
boys are quaking.
if any of you guys before a trade are panicking, that's something you guys have to get rid of. You know, that's a habit that you guys got to get out of your life, right? Because this is what we do as traders. This is what we do. We take trades. We take the best trades, right? We should be confident in our strategy that we have. With that being said, there should be no need to panic or start to worry, right? We should be confident in our backed up data, our sample size data, and be professionals. This is what we do. Remember,
Yes,
think
sir.
long term.
Yes, sir. Spreads are big. Can we pull back again? Yeah, 3 pip spreads here. What's going on? What do we got here? It's today, Tuesday, right?
None.
Yeah, I'm not too sure. Don't see nothing here for me.
Hopefully it comes back down.
Doot, 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 doot. Unemployment is Thursday.
Yeah, it's Thursday. That's what I was about to say.
Damn.
No news.
Got pips.
No planned news. We'll say that.
Yeah. You never know. Someone may make up some AI
generated
something.
picture. Yeah, that's
Alright.
crazy, bro. I still can't believe that happened.
Mortgage the house and enter. There you go. Oh, gold dropping here. Dropping. Let's see if we could pull back. Pull back in 2 minutes. Can we come back up? Oh, would you look at that? Would you look at that? Top wick, reflip, drive. House is already up. Mm, 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 mm. 4 hour really pulling back here. Five? Oh, what's going on with my Forex funds? What's up with that? Oh, 1 minute here. Looks like this 15-minute candle is going to do it. Yep. 15 drove. So we couldn't really, we could have taken that, but I promise you guys I'm not touching that range today. Right? But you did have an onion. We didn't get that full range 2 breakout. We just got that resistance. That was all. So, yeah. Nothing I would have done differently there. Yeah, we really need to see that 15 close below. What's your view on GJ? Let's take a look. GJ, we need to wait for a closure above here. If we're gonna look for buys, then we need a range 2 breakout here. So definitely not taking any positions just yet. Very wicky here. 1 hour seller play. Where at? Gold? Gold? Oh yeah, the 1 hour seller, yep. Yeah, I noticed that. Yep. Yeah, we need a range 2 for sells though. So that's why we weren't jumping right on. If we were bearish on the day, oh yeah, we would have taken that position right there. Break of the lows, and we would have been gone, but we're not bearish on the day. We're pretty bullish here today, so especially after breaking these highs. But like I said before, right? Look at all these attempts to close above. We may not close above today. That's why I was open to, you know, taking sell positions there. And that I may still be open, right? Because if this 4 hour candle closes bearish as well, you know, we're gonna continue down here today. Yeah, let's see what happens with the 4 hour and the 1 hour and the 30-minute here. Got pretty much no bottom wick on this candle and no top wick on this current candle, so you may see a pushback up now. Are you using MT4 or MT5? I'm using MT5. Did you learn from Raja? Yeah, I learned from Raja. I learned from Raja and Donvo. Raja Banks and Donvo. Those are the guys who really changed the game for me. I also learned from some other guys, but they're not even, I mean, they were great, but they're not worth bringing up because I don't trade that way anymore, you know, so. But this style right here, I learned a lot from Raja, and I learned a lot from Don. Big time. Raja really built that foundation for me, and then Don just took it to a whole nother level. Fixed lot, or why I use fixed lots? I just like it better, that's all. No crazy, mind-blowing, you know, miraculous reason. Just, I like it better. US30, please. Let's take a look. Unique.
Top.
Oh yeah, no top wick. But yeah, that was your position on US30 right there. That was it. Oh no, hold on. Yeah, you got a 1 hour close above. So yeah, you could have taken that position on the break of the highs here to continue up. Yeah, you still got distance. That 30-minute I noticed closed with no top wick though. So if you haven't closed partials, I'd probably close partials now. But it's looking good. It's gonna look even better too when this 4 hour candle closes above the range, if it closes above. Do you consider RR or take what the market gives? I take what the market gives me. I'll do anything over. If it's got to be at least a 1-1. But I'm saying before the, like, in order for me to actually get into the trade. But like yesterday, right? We had like a 22 pip stop, I think, and we closed 6 pips because the market was clearly telling us I'm not going down anymore, right? So we snagged our pips. It was late in the session and we got going. So anything with a 1-to-1, I'll get into a trade and then I'll manage it accordingly based off of what the market's telling me to do. Gold's going up on a Tuesday.
Always gotta go off of what the markets give you or what they're telling you, right?
Yep. And what did the market tell us here, gang? Some of you guys got into sells because you're like, you waited on the 15 to be disciplined, right? But then you're like, nah, I'm getting in this thing. Getting in. It's driving right now, man. Driving. And you took a sell, got activated, and then we rejected, right? Candle had no top wick. You had to make a super quick, irrational decision. Nick said, I got to be a quick thinker. I got to get in this trade. No, but you got to have a top wick, right? You got to have the playbook working for you at all times before getting into a position. So you impulsed your way in, and now you're, sitting in drawdown. So thinking, how do I manage a trade, right? Well, here's how you manage a trade. Candle closed with no bottom wick. Next one opened up with no top wick. You don't get in the trade. Yeah, you don't get in. Even if this candle drives down right now, that's not our position, right? That's not the smart position to take. We could we could use it. Yep.
Yeah, remember, chat too, the markets don't even know who you are. The markets are gonna go and do what the markets want to do. Remember. And it's our job to anticipate what the markets want to do. Not what are we gonna do, right?
Yeah. Oh, is somebody in this trade? Can you show me your signals trade? Signals channel, you mean? Signals channel is right here. Yeah, I was about to call something if we got that closure below, but yeah, this is the signals channel. So right now you could purchase any one of our signal packages and get 2 months free. We also have the 1 year signals. If you purchase that one, you get lifetime access, lifetime for signals plus Zoom access as well. So if that's something that you want to do, that's there. But yeah, this is our signals channel. Pretty much every trade comes in the same way. You'll get notified beforehand. Potential sell stops in 5, and then they'll come in, and then I'll let you know when to move stops and close partials and close full and all that stuff. Yeah. Usually I'll send a picture, but if it's too quick, like yesterday, I couldn't send a pic. And yeah, this is so pretty much everything comes out the same. And if you notice, gang, every one of our trades pretty much look exactly the same, don't they? Right? Don't complicate this thing. Don't complicate it. Yeah, so that's the signals chat. Signals chat didn't take a loss for over 2 months, which was nuts. Yeah, so that's pretty much the way it goes down here. Yep. So if we're deleting, I'll tell you delete, right? Re-add, all that good stuff. Yeah, all look the same, right? They all look the same positions. Nothing complicated here, gang. I'm not a genius, trust me. Trust me. Oh, you guys remember this position? We were in this position from right here on this wick. Remember that? We got into a seller play. This was before the stream.
Oh my god.
This was before the live stream. We called this signal here. And price tapped us in, went all the way back into drawdown, almost stopped us out. And then just started pushing back down. And I think that was like pre-NY or NY open or something. Yeah, that was nuts. That was a good trade. Yeah, you see 820, we closed that. Yeah, so they all look the same, gang. So we only trade one or two or three different setups. That's it. How much it costs? Well, if you could find it, you could find it, like Raja says. It's bleeding. It's a bleeder. Got the gallon out here today again, boys.
Hey. Yes,
We got gallons.
this is mine over.
We got gallons.
50 ounces.
50
I have
yens.
no idea how much it is.
Elvis has
50
left the
gallons.
building. Yeah, no, we got a 4-hour close here, so we'll see what happens. Yeah, we planned that range, right? Very clean move in that range. Just didn't get, you know, sometimes just things aren't going to add up. They're not going to add up.
Nick drinks gasoline. Yeah, that 93.
The 93 octane, boy.
Yanosh. What up, Yanosh?
Hey, what up, Johnny? Appreciate that, man. What's going on? Good to see you here, bro. Johnny in the building. If you made a book of the playbook, I would buy it. Yeah, if you guys do purchase signals, just message me in Discord. Let me know so I can put your username in the signals chat. Yeah, get prepared. You're gonna start getting a lot more signals. I've been noticing a lot more moves happen later on after the session, and then also I feel like London is starting to pick up a bit. It's been really quiet during the past couple months, and Asian as well. But we're starting to see some more moves, and we've seen this last year as well. As we started entering Q3, we've seen the same thing happen. So we can anticipate the same things happening on you know, in the markets again this year. So some of you guys haven't really been through enough cycles either, right? Enough quarters. Once you start moving through those quarters, you start seeing the same things over and over again, how volume shifts, how things start to move a little bit different, and it just prepares you more and more each time.
That is so true.
Right? Isn't that true?
I feel like that's like, yeah, I feel like, yeah, that's honestly so true. Like, you go through the first one, at least for like me, it's like, go through the first one, you don't even have a clue. Go through the second time around, it's like, alright. And then like the third time, it's like, alright, this month should be this month should be.
Yep. You start seeing like the same thing over and over again. It's beautiful. Like Raja always said, you know, if the markets do the same thing over and over again, then why would we try and do anything different? So there's your break-even point, by the way, on US30 there. Tapping into that resistance level or support level there. That's where I would have went break-even. Actually, I think I would have closed, yeah, because the candle closed with no top wick. So I probably would have closed before that, but if you haven't, that's a really nice break-even area there. And then see if the runner can continue on up. Let's take a look at the Nasdaq. Oh, still trying to make its way up there. Still trying to give it a go. The new Jurassic Park logo's mint. Oh wow, I never seen it. Munch and ice, yeah. My excess is gone. All I got's ice now. What do you think about the Nasdaq? We got to close above here. We need to get a closure above. Once we get that, we got clean traffic to the left. Nice move up there. Do you like to manage one trade at a time? Yeah. Yeah, I used to be known for stacking positions. But yeah, when it's not going your way, that ain't fun. Drop a like, gang. Yeah, listen to Shad. Drop a like, gang. We got 1900 people here, but 800 likes. So there's 1,000 of you that didn't like the stream yet, man. Wow. Wow. Damn, son. I'm so mad I gotta chomp on ice right now. Arr. Shots fired, shots fired. Hey, good morning. Hey, good morning, Jay. Are you in a trade? Nope. I see sells on Nas 100. Oh, nice. I'm really happy to see you here. Hope you have the best, brother. Hey, you too. You too, brother. Thanks for coming by. Thanks for stopping by. Good to see you here. Are we looking to drop? We're looking to stop, drop, and roll. Yeah, 1 hour close below here would be pretty nice too. Let's take a look here. So we may have to adjust. Let's get rid of all the drawings real quick. Right, let's do a fresh analysis here. So we broke weekly highs, right? We're pushing up. Daily candle had a nice celery play. It's pushing up, but it never closed above here yet. Let's keep that in mind, right? This candle's still open. We never closed. We've attempted 9 or 10 times here. We weren't able to do it. We got a very small bottom wick, right, on this daily candle. 4 hours closing bearish. Right, 4 hours closing bearish here, 1 hour's closing bearish as well. Looks like we have a nice support level right here on the 1 hour time frame that if we close below, we should be good to continue on down, right? Same thing with this 4 hour candle. If we're closing bearish on the 4 hour time frame, we may look to push down, right? We may look to come back down now on this next 4 hour candle. So that's what we'd be looking to take advantage of, right? This 1925 level. Yeah, 1925 area. Let's see what that looks like on the 1 hour time frame. 1925, right down here in the support level. So, you know, that's what we're looking at right now. That's what we're looking at. This is the range ahead of us. It's got a couple resistances, but guess what? If we get in this position during volume, then those resistances are going to get blasted, right? They're going to get pushed through. Volume's going to drive through this. And that's the only, you know, the only option for me, like, is making sure that we got volume on our side. And if we do, then I can totally see this daily candle coming back down, moving bearish, not closing above today, continuing down. That'll make sense on the weekly time frame for us to create a rejection candle, bearish candle for next week to continue down. That'll also make sense if the monthly candle wants to flip back bearish again and drive down and break the lows to continue down in this you know, this range down here till 1825 here. So putting all that together, I could see how we may sell off here now, but I'm not going to predict that. I'm going to wait for this candle to close and we're going to see where we're at. But those are just my thoughts, some ideas. Perfect. So that's pretty much all I'm looking at here at this point. There is a support here on the 15-minute too, which it looks like we're rejecting. So let's just see what happens. We got about 10 minutes here for this candle to close. This jam is unbelievable. Yeah, unbelievable. Hey. It's gone down. Why didn't you sell at 1935? Because our setup didn't show up. Right? We gotta have our setup there. As a professional trader, a professional waits for his setup to arise, and when it does, he executes. And when it doesn't, he stays off. Right? He sits on his hands. He folds back. We didn't get our exact setup we were looking for. We really wanted to see a candle closing below. We would have took it off the 15, but you know, it kind of pulled back. We understood that this 15 could be a really big candle, right? Because that's going to be the second half of the NY open candle. We understood that, but in order to take sells on a day where we're bullish, we needed to have a range too, right? So we had that first range form. We had our support, broke out of the main range, resistance, but we needed a candle closure below. And we never got that. So therefore we didn't take a position. So let's see how the 1 hour candle closes now. Shout out from Mexico. What up, David? Morning, Nick. Which app do I use for the simulation? Soft FX. Soft FX. Yeah, you see, look at that. We had sell stops ready for 1935 here, or yeah, 1934. But we never got that close we were looking for. So we were on it, but sometimes, you know, everything ain't adding up. You gotta sit back. That's how you fill your P&L with blues. Do you feel pressured or forced to send a signal? Nope.
Someone's trolling.
Yeah, all my signals are gonna be A+, high quality. So you want quality or quantity? Quality or quantity? You're not that guy. Yeah, there you go, Nightbot. Where do I send the message about signals? Send it to me on Discord, please. We should have took advantage of the 5-minute candles. Bad trader, Nick. Bad trader. Bad trader.
Yo, that's what I was saying, bro. Look at what he said. He goes, bad trader, Nick. I blew up because of you. And then literally in the same minute, he goes, GU thoughts? Like, what? Why would you want his thoughts if he's bad, bro? That's some of the funniest stuff I've seen.
Chappy Quag. Yo. You guys are funny. Yeah. Yeah, what Henry said. Beautiful stream. I'd be just be laughing at chat if I live streamed. No trading would get done. Oh man, chat's funny. Chat be quick. Alright, let's take a look here. We got a couple more minutes. We need a close below. We need a closure below. And you know, this may be a time where we've been testing out this 4-hour/1 hour close below, where we close right below resistance and we don't get too much of a top wick. So
Yeah.
we'll see what happens here today. What happened here? Where'd Johnny Boy go?
Oh,
There he is.
oh, my Zoom was lagging. I had to leave. Or
His Zoom was quaking.
Zoom was quaking.
Daniel Savage is selling GJ now. How do you know that? I only do opposite trades to Nick. I'm down 100%. Are we in gold? Are we in gold or are we looking at gold? We're looking at gold. We're not in gold. Gold is in us. Tell me more about the mentorship program. It's closed down till September. Yeah, we've already filled the spots. It's a 8-week mentorship, one-on-one mentorship program, where we spend, a lot of time together. 2 to 3 Zoom calls a week, going over, my strategy, A to Z, risk management, everything, playbook, all that stuff. Very deep into psychology, very deep into who you are as a trader and where you're looking to get to, your goals. And yeah, we kind of form up a blueprint, a nice curriculum, and we go to work. But that's all shut down till September now. Joe Stewart's in the building. Hey Joe, what'd you work out today, pal? Sir, are we on trade? Yep, we need a candle to close, man. 5 more minutes. Yep, nice rejection there, so looking good.
Joe did chest and try today. He did legs. Yo, I called him, bro. I was gonna say he did legs yesterday, he did chest and try today, so tomorrow he's gonna be back and by. I don't know, that's just like the same way I do it too. It's like, I don't know, I always end with legs and then start with chest and try. Because that's my favorite. So it's like,
hey Chad, hey Sam, what you think about a 30-minute seller here for 9:30? This looks actually very promising. The way these candles are closing and shaping up, it looks really good. So wait on
for it to happen on like this next candle?
Well, yeah, no, the candle after
30?
that. So 9:30.
Oh yeah.
So NYSE,
I was gonna say that thing go.
Yep, let the 4-hour pull back a little bit. Yep.
Yeah.
And then we'll enter on the break of the wherever this low is on this next candle, we'll enter on the break of the lows. Yo Nick, I have a question about prop firm trading. So if you reach your max daily drawdown, and your account gets suspended, are you in debt? No. Nope. No, they don't take any money back. You don't owe them anything or nothing like that. You just lose the account, and then if you want another one, you just got to purchase another one and go through the whole evaluation process again. But you won't be in debt, nah. Hey, shout out to those that took buys.
That's another dope thing about funded companies. It's not even your own money.
Yeah, right.
You're chilling.
Imagine being against that.
Yeah, right.
No, go work and make your own money to trade with. Like what?
Why not trade someone else's?
Huh?
Okay.
My patience is whamming. Yeah. Well, you have an opportunity to strengthen that muscle here today. Do you always trade in live signal room? Yes. Dolphin milk. Hey, the dolphin milk's back. Bro, we haven't talked about dolphin milk in quite some time, actually.
Joe says to Tandy, he goes, Tandy eats nails for breakfast with no milk. Tandy's like, when I use milk, it's dolphin. Comedy, bro.
You think the funded is better than your own capital? Yes, absolutely.
Heck yeah.
Unless you got $500,000 in the backyard that maybe we don't know about, buried in the backyard somewhere. You know, when's the next chance you're gonna get $500,000 to just put into the markets, right? But if you got this skill set, you could spend, you know, $2,000 or something. You know, anyone got $2,000. Like, you can get $2,000 even if you don't have it. You can get it, right? You can go get it somewhere. And you could, if you got the skill set, you could have a $500,000 account within 2 months. Change your whole life forever. So it's pretty hard to do that on a $4,000, you know, personal account. You dig? What funded company are you using? I have a live account here with my Forex funds, and then I also have a challenge account that I'm working on. It's a 400K account from the Funded Trader. Yeah, I only took 2 trades on that account. 3 trades so far on that account. Unless you're the cousin of Pablo Escobar, yeah. You just started streaming 5 months ago and you excel. Oh, well done. Oh, thank you. Thank you, M4. M4. I think it's just the spirit of God that's working. I believe these plans were just super carefully prayed upon and manifested in the spirit and in the word, and I think that's why you see such incredible growth. You know, it's not because of me. I'm not like Mr. Smarty Pants or anything here, right? So yeah, I just think it's a work of the Lord. So let's see. We need this candle to come up here, right? We need it to come up. We may get a 30-minute celery. We'll see. Let's see how everything starts formulating here. We got a new 4-hour candle. So got a new 4-hour candle here. Let's take a look at that 4-hour time frame as well, because we may see wicks come up to like right here. You guys see these wicks over here? Guys see these wicks like right here? So I'm expecting like a top wick, you know, somewhere in this range here. May even come up to these wicks. But I'm expecting a nice top wick, and then we could either get a celery play off the 30-minute time frame when this candle closes, or we can enter on the break of the lows here. But I want to see a better wick if we're gonna do that. Let's see what the 15-minute time frame is looking like. Yeah, 15-minute time frame is bullish. Let's see what happens here. Just wait on it, chat. I'm telling you, it'll fall right into our lap as per usual, right? And if it doesn't, then I'm sure there's not a high quality position to take.
95% waiting, 5% actually trading. All I gotta say.
$2K to $500K? Yeah, no, literally that's basically what you're doing. $2K to $500K. If you got the skill set, you can go ahead and pass phase 1, pass phase 2, get your live account, be chilling. You literally turn 2K into 500K. And all you got to do is give these guys, like with my the funded trader, I got a 92% profit split for the life of that account. You think I'm blowing that account? Hell no. I'm holding that thing down. Holding it down.
As professionals, we're here to maintain accounts and grow them.
Yeah, that's what we're doing. Yeah, chat, this scenario for a celery play looks perfect. Perfect. 2K views, only 1K. Oh, not even 1K like. Hey, can we get 1,000 likes here? We got 4 more. 4 people like the stream. And if you haven't subbed to the channel, sub to the channel. I'm giving away a $100,000 challenge account giveaway real soon. And I need you to win that. I need you to win that, man. I need you to win that. I need you to win that so you can change your life. Change your family's life and start to make some headway in your finances here. And start moving towards the direction of your goals. I need you to win that. Yeah, this is perfect. Patience, gang. Patience. What about 30-minute support? Yeah, I see it there. That's okay. That's okay. If we get that celery play, then I believe we will fill this wick.
Easy.
Yeah, I'm not too worried about that support anymore here.
It's clean on
Yeah, higher time frames are calling for a sell-off here. So worst case, we take this 30-minute candle when it closes below the support. If we don't get the celery, so two scenarios here. Two scenarios in which I would take advantage of here. Celery play at 9:30, like bread and butter, to come down. Take that position on the break of the lows there, right? Stops above the highs here, entry right here. Look to come down into these levels we talked about. That's scenario number one I'm willing to take today. Scenario number two is this. We get a 30-minute candle to close, this 30-minute candle, right? To close below the range. Like this. Close below that support. And we'll take our sells coming down at 9:30. So those are really the two options here. That's the deal that I'm bringing to the table for the market. And as a top negotiator, I don't budge on that deal. So they're gonna have to meet me at one or the other. If they don't meet me, then they don't get my entry, right? They don't get my money. But if they're willing to meet me at that entry, they're willing to meet me with either one of those two setups, I'll play the game with them. If not, I won't, right? Look at that. Those of you that jumped a little too early there.
There, our setup or no setup, deal or no deal.
Deal or no deal, gang.
Motto.
Simple. No rushing.
Sir, are you negotiating with the brokers?
Yeah, exactly. I'm negotiating with Pal.
Sir.
Sir.
Sorry.
Let them cook now.
Now just cook.
But that boy could.
Let him be a savage.
Now just sit back and let me do what I do. I got y'all, man. Just give it a sec. How'd you get 92% profit split? They were running a promo at the time. Yeah, they were running a promotion. I jumped on that bad boy right away, bro. I wanted to get it anyway because I want to get $1 million in one account. So the funded trader right now seems to be the best deal. They seem to be like the ones that are going to move on that the quickest, with the leverage that I'm looking for and the profit splits I'm looking for and all that good stuff. So yeah, so I jumped on it right once I seen that deal. I was like, I'm in there. Would I look at GJ below 181? Let's take a look. We got time here on gold. Oh, GJ below here 181. Let's take a look at the higher time frames real quick. Yeah, not bad. Let's see the 4 hour. Yeah, you got a 4 hour celery play there, so not too bad at all. You basically got what we're seeing on the 4 hours, what we're seeing on the 30-minute here on gold. So yeah, not too bad. I would probably wait for a close below this level at this point. Now that the 4 hours really, talking a good game. And then once you break those lows, that's the 4 hour celery, and then all you need is a closure below now. If you don't want to enter off the 4 hour move and you want to wait for a close, just wait for the 30-minute closure below, and yeah, that's going to be a nice, pretty nice move there. I may be open to that as well. Let's see what happens. We got price trap, so we'll see. And gold, we're just waiting here. Right? Very important. This candle closed below. If this bullish candle closes below as well, I think we're good to go. We got volume coming in. If we break the lows, we should come downtown. I got 20% off with 90% profit split. Yeah, they have the best freaking deals, man. Their deals are sick. Uncle Scalp, you funny, bro? Yeah. Everything this guy does is funny. Everything. Funny how, Uncle Scalp? What do you mean funny?
Funny how?
What do you mean I'm funny? Anything on Nas? Let's take a look. We got time. We got some time. We ain't scrambling like everyone who entered the cells too quick. We're chilling.
We know what we're doing.
Yeah, nothing here yet. Nothing on Nasdaq yet. To be honest, at this point today, I would probably only look to take buys. Take buys there. You just need a closure above that level. Like, look how clean this range is here today. Very clean range. That's what I would be looking to take advantage of, but you really need to close above. Look at how many times we've rejected right there. So you got nice clean candles to the left. That's going to be your best move of the day on the Nasdaq here. All right, we'll sample size that as well. Have you checked out Apex? Father's Day deal was the best. Which one was that again? I forget.
Father's Day deal?
Their slippage is worse than the washroom floor. Yeah, probably if you're trading news. Damn, Nick, good job, bro. I remember when we had 500 viewers. Yeah, man. Me too. Wasn't that long ago. And that's how life is, gang. When it clicks, it clicks. Like, you're gonna, all of a sudden, you're gonna start getting, like, let's say you're working on getting your funded account, and dude, you're gonna get your live account, and all of a sudden you're gonna think, man, it wasn't that long ago when I was kind of struggling to pay like a, let's say like a $300 payment or something. You know, you're gonna have all this money, and you're gonna be like, you know, it wasn't really that long ago that you know, that I was trying to stretch 20 bucks. So keep tighten up and keep the focus, man. You're right there. I'm talking to somebody here today. You're right on it. Victory is right past that moment of quit. Right? You're gonna have that moment of quit, man. I think every entrepreneur is gonna come to that time, you know, and that's where that mental toughness comes into play. You know, this entrepreneurship will throw you around in the game. It really will. But you gotta stay mentally tough. But yeah, things happen quick, man. Especially when they're deep rooted in prayer and, you know, God's blessing is all over it, then they move real quick. And that's what you're seeing here. You know, you're seeing that here.
Like Think and Grow Rich said, right? Success comes one step beyond the point at which defeat had overtaken them. Right?
Yep. Bingo. Bingo.
Failure is a trickster, and it takes great delight when success is almost within reach. That's from Think and Grow Rich.
Yep.
So take that into consideration, chat.
Yeah, man. I held on to those quotes for a long time. I held on to those, and you know, they all proved themselves right over time. So you just got to give things time too, right? You got to understand that there's a process. There's a process to everything. There's a sowing and reaping process, and you don't reap when you sow, right? And guess what? A lot of times you don't sow when you reap, but when you reap, there's also a lot of work to be done, right? Because you're reaping now, so you got a lot of work to do. You got to manage it. You know, it's one thing getting money. It's another thing really managing it, keeping it, letting it grow, letting it work, and investing it into the right things, heavenly things. Really, is where you're gonna get your best investment.
And if you don't make quitting an option, you know, eventually you get there. That's the most common cause of failure, is the habit of quitting, right? So don't quit.
Exactly.
Eventually you'll get there. Stay steady, stay focused. Don't have quitting as an option, right? You could be 3 feet from gold, right?
Yep.
So,
you guys ever read 3 Feet from Gold? If not, you got to read it.
Yeah, you gotta read that.
Yep. Great book, man.
Great book.
You've read it?
Yeah, that was like I have that in my closet right on my bookshelf.
Yeah, man. Lucas said, if a 30-minute candle closes bullish, will you place a sell stop? Yes, I will. We got to close below this range, though. Yeah, this candle has to close below. Where's that 1 hour? Yeah, it's got to close below this 1 hour support here. Luca's in the building. Luca. Just wait on it. W for Nick, he be preaching. Yeah, I really wanted to preach on yesterday's message too, man. That's why I'm thinking I just don't want to throw you guys off schedule. You know, I know you guys got plans and stuff throughout the week, and Monday night you kind of block off, but yeah, definitely not going to miss the opportunity to preach on that though, because it's very important, especially as we get success in life. What we're going to talk about on our next study in the scriptures. Very, very important stuff. Nick, you mentioned a book previously on stream called Proverbs. Glad you asked. Can you please tell me what author? Yes, the most wisest man in the world, Solomon. Inspired by God himself, the God that created you, me, and everything you see in the universe. Highly, highly recommend it. Highly, highly recommend it. How many years have you been into trading? Since 2019. Do. 15-minute sell? No way. No way, Jose. No way, Jose. We're waiting for the 30-minute here, boys and girls.
Hey, those of you asking about the London streams, when they're coming, give it some more time. I want to see a couple more trades, but I'm shooting for August 1st, if not potentially before that. Give it time.
Okay.
What time will I be streaming it? It will be from 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. Eastern. 2 a.m. Eastern start time, 5 a.m. Eastern end time.
What challenge did you do with the funded trader? That's on a royal, yeah. Yep. Hey gang, how do I zoom in here on Windows? This is like shift something, or how do I do it? For some reason I'm all zoomed out here. I don't like that. I need somebody smarter than me right now. Nikolovsky's in the building. What up, Nikolovsky? Control plus. Control plus. Control plus. Not working. Huh. Control plus even on a Mac. I know you see Windows here, but I'm running this one through Parallels. Are you talking about MT5? Yes. Right click on the Windows. Okay. Oh, we got some. Control Alt mouse wheel. Oh, I don't have a mouse wheel. I'm still using my Mac, by the way, gang. Still using my Mac here today.
Yeah, quaking.
Nope. Control scroll, nothing.
The art of patience is strong with this man.
Hey, who got in them cells? Oh. Oh. Just plus? Oh, just plus? Did I put cell stops yet? No. Waiting for 30-minute cell replay. Sorry, I don't use Macs, bro. Hey, man, my Mac is gone, gang. I got this beautiful Alienware sitting next to me. It's going.
Oh.
Oh no, I have this scale fixed already. Yeah, I already have the scale fixed. Alienware shaking my head. Dude sounded Dominican when he said "K." I'm already zoomed in, yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I think it's something with my parallels. Yeah, I'm wasting life with a Mac, yep. Yeah, the Mac's gone. Alright, cool. So potential sell stops here in about 10 minutes. Our entry's going to be on the break of the lows here. Not yet. 10 minutes though. Wait patiently, gang. Did you see me jumping all around when we broke the lows there? Some of you guys were like, ooh, ooh. Started jumping up and down. Oh, my sell stops accidentally got activated. Play the... Alright, so let me just do something right quick. Alrighty. Let's see what we got. Our second attempt here to set some sell stops today. Let's see. 1,900 people here. Oh, 2,000 people here today. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Hey, if you're not subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Give the stream a like if you're enjoying your time here. And we're waiting for a 30-minute opportunity here. We want to see this candle close just how it is, or maybe even bullish, but I don't care how it is as long as it's below the zone here. Then I think we're gonna be good to continue on down. So
pushing.
Let's see what happens. Worst case, we look for sells below the lows here. 920. $920 coming in hot, but we want 930. We want 930 close below. To be honest, the closure below is better. Zoom in. I'm already. I'm all the way zoomed in. Yeah, I'm already zoomed in. Already zooming. Zoomed in. Activated. Uh-oh.
Activated. Are you activated?
Where will your stops be? Current candle. Yeah, probably the current 30-minute highs on this next candle. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back.
Woman. You in sell? No. No one is in sells right now. Patience chat. This candle closure is very important. It's giving us confirmation of where this next candle is gonna want to go. Right? So wait for the candle to close. No FOMO, right? You shouldn't have FOMO if you got a playbook of setups, right? We know what we're looking for. When we see it, it'll catch our eyes, right? And we'll be in that. So no FOMO here. If it's my setup, it's my setup. If it's not, then it's not. Okay? Patience, it's in the word. I'm planning on starting the London session by at least August 1st, potentially before that.
Oh,
Big win, sir.
¿Qué pasa?
Okay.
Can anyone tell the limit to sell and buy? Yeah, sells are going to be on the break of the lows here. Yeah, right
Yes,
here.
30 close.
We got to wait for this 30-minute candle. We got 5 minutes in this 30-minute candle here.
Yeah.
So we got to wait.
We got one of the best chats around.
Yes.
Love you guys.
Love y'all. Okay.
Sir.
Oh, 19.
Yeah.
Quaking.
Quacking.
You guys quacking? Y'all quacking or what?
Hey, chat. Chat, you can't miss a move that's not yours, right?
Oh, you guys are
I'm
really
not scared
quacking?
I'm not scared of missing out on anything because it's not my trade.
Let's see, what are our stops looking like? Oh, not bad. Yeah, about 19, 20 pips here. Beautiful. Yeah, 1933. Yeah, those are going to be our stops up there.
Damn, I thought of you when I was reading Exodus.
What?
Exodus in the Bible.
Yeah, Nick, Jesus came down Mount Sinai and it said the mountain quaked.
Yeah.
I was like, sir. I was like, sir.
Even Jesus had this lingo. Wow.
Sir.
What do you think? Quake just came out of nowhere? Quake.
Where do you think I get it from?
It was a divine. It was a divine
It was written.
opportunity. Yeah.
It's a word of the divine, yeah.
It was written.
It's written, baby. What is the next setup right now, sir? We just want to see this candle close, and then we're gonna probably take sells on the break of the lows here. We got 930 coming in hot. We need this candle to close below. That'd be amazing. And then wherever the lows are here, we're gonna take positions.
Wait on it.
Just wait on it.
Wait on it.
All we gotta do.
You smell that?
4 more minutes, chat.
Yes, Jon Stewart for president. Yes.
For Prezi? Yeah, chat. Just wait here.
Why does he say quake like a goat? Bro, it's like, you ever listen to me talk? Like, I like to drag the words out.
You're not that guy,
That's
bro.
what- I think that's
You're
what
not that
cracks
guy.
me. You ever notice that? Someone said that to me. They're like, you drag your words out.
Them words.
We like to troll. We do a little
Literally,
trolling.
bro.
It's called we do a little trolling.
Let's lock it in.
Let's lock it in, chat.
Pakistan.
Lock it in. No more games.
Tell them to bring out the whole ocean.
Tell them bring out the whole ocean. Let's go. Tell them bring it out. Yeah, so sell stops are looking like they're going to be right around 131.60. 131.60-ish.
Bring out the whole
big-
ocean.
Bring out the whole ocean. Oh, look at that pullback. Yeah, man, that's why we don't get activated too quickly. You're trying to rush, man. You're trying to rush.
Why you don't take trades impulsively?
No need to rush. We need this candle to close below. If we do, we'll look to set our sell stops. If not, we might start pulling up because there's a very strong support right here.
Milos, are we out? We were never in.
Yeah, we were never in there.
Hey, we got 3 minutes. We're about to find out what gold wants to do. And gold's gonna want to do what it's gonna want to do. So
Yep. Okay. Yep. As long as we close below, we're still. What is that 1 hour? Yeah, this could be a 1 hour fake out here, gang. So that's why you always gotta just wait for those closures. Very, very important. Probably the most important piece of what we do is waiting for candles to close.
That's what made me profitable.
Mm-hmm.
I used to get in
Yes.
early and I used to get cracked.
Cracked.
Like we always say, a candle closure is the charts. The market's talking back to us, telling us what it's gonna do.
And then I used to call Nick and cry, didn't I?
Yep. What am I doing wrong? Well, let's take a look. And we fixed it, didn't we? Fixed it up, and now he's good to go. 30-minute celery, looking like more like a possible 1 hour celery here. But we need this candle to close below. That's all we need. 15 minutes just ranging here, so that's why someone asked about the 15-minute. That's the reason why. Look at all these small candles. You know, the next big candle is gonna come here on this next 30-minute. So
I hate gold.
all right, let's see what happens here. Let's wait on this closure. If we close below, I think we're pretty decent. But we need to close below. If we don't get to close below on this 30, then we may want to wait for the 1 hour celery. Alright, staying below the low here. But no bottom wick just yet. Yeah, maybe it'll come up, break these highs to stop people out, and then set up for a 1 hour celery here. 30-minute or 4 hours still making a top wick. Yeah. Doom 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 doom. Pal trolling. Nick, check the socks. Socks are good. Oh, let me check. You're right. Yeah, socks are great. Socks are golden. All right, so there's all the stop losses for the most part. They may come up and probably maybe wick up here. We'll see, and then we'll see. We'll sit on the hourly celery play here. Yeah, there it goes. There's all the stop losses there. Yeah, it's not bad actually. Yep. Yeah, we're gonna wait. I think we're gonna wait here for the 1 hour. We never got to close below that 30-minute support anyway. Let's wait on the 1 hour celery play here, gang. Wouldn't that be way more of a high probability setup?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we don't have a bottom wick here either, so.
Alright, Peter on stop loss.
Delete sell stops. I never had sell stops to begin with. GJ entry. Let's take a look. 30-minute closed above. Oh, not bad. Yeah, finally closed above, but you need a range 2 above here. Yeah, I would not take entries here. Nope. Yeah, you need at least a 1 hour candle to close. Look at all that rejection. Yeah, there's the bottom wick there, so this candle may push up here. I'm still totally comfortable if we're going to take this off the 30, waiting for a closure below, or we wait for that 1 hour celery play. That's going to be our highest probability trade here. Yeah. I got stopped out. Not bad, but not perfect either. Yeah. Do we delete the sell stops? I don't have sell stops. Yeah, no worries, Anthony. I think the reason is because you didn't wait for that candle to close, bro. That's pretty much it. Yeah, that's it. Other than that, you know, if we close below now on the 1 hour, because you gotta understand, like, trading is like, you know, it's like sports, right? You draw up a plan, right? You draw up a plan, and if that thing doesn't work, you exit out, and then you draw up a new plan, right? And then if that don't work, you just come up with these ideas, right? But you can't act on the ideas unless they actually play out. So you can you can understand that there's an idea there, but if it doesn't work, you know, it doesn't kind of play in your favor, then you got to cross it out and continue to wait. You know, an idea, it's good to generate ideas while you're on the desk, 100%, but sometimes you have to leave those as ideas and wait, right? If what do we say, right? What did we say? The market had two opportunities for us. We had two deals, either 30-minute celery play, which is now going to be a 1 hour celery play, or a 30-minute closure below. None of those came true. So basically, what happens when you get weak on your negotiation? Salesman walks away with your money and says, "Got him," right? And we don't like that. So we're very firm in our negotiation because we want to walk away from the salesman and say, "Got him," right? We don't want to get got. We want to get, but we don't want to get got. So that's the only thing I would say. Just focus on really being firm in your negotiation to the market. And this will help you become a better negotiator in general. Y'all go buy cars, you guys start buying stuff, start negotiating. It's my deal or no deal. I'm telling you, you'll save a lot of money. You save a lot of money in the long run. Just hustling, right? I don't even care if it's a good price. I still want a discount, right? One of my mentors, a multi-millionaire, he said, negotiate a discount everywhere you go. John, how many times has that worked out for us? We literally got into Six Flags for free that one day. Remember that?
Yeah, bro. Works out every time.
Yep. And now look, price will start pushing down. Right? It'll start pushing down because if it wants to go down, it's going to go down. But it had to stop all the impatient traders out first. Grab that liquidity, get that money, and then move up. Or move down. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. And then the market will leave you like, wow. Damn, I thought I seen the sell. Yeah. Of course. None of us really enter I still see the sell, but you know, if the negotiation, if the deal isn't done, then we can't move forward on that deal, right? GJ buys, not for me. Nope. I need to wait for a range 2. Yeah, this is no. This area is very familiar, right? We've came up here many times and just rejected down, so this isn't gonna get me going here. Yeah, I need a range 2 anyway above there. Uh, 30-minute, so clean. Back. What lot size does Nick use on his 400K? 40 lots, pretty much. I'll be negotiating your mentorship.
What you know about chop?
What you know about chop? We do a little negotiating. Hey, sometimes you don't get it, you know. A lot of times you don't get it. You don't get a deal, but it's always fun to negotiate. Can't get stuck in the chat. Where's we got some guys from Boston and Rhode Island here. You don't want to get caught in the chap. In a chap. Can I get a discount on the signals? Yeah, I got y'all. I negotiated the deal with you guys without you guys even knowing. I said I got y'all with 2 months free. NAS 100? Yeah, we'll take a look at that now. Yeah, there he is. Got to trade. NYSE sleeping today. Lifetime SIGs. Yo, for real, that's the deal. That's the deal, gang. Take it or leave it. Buy 1 year, get a lifetime access to signals. I do not plan on stopping trading. This is what I want to do for my career long term. I don't care how wealthy and rich I become. I'm still gonna show up on the New York session and take trades. I love this stuff. Love this stuff. Yeah, look at that. So our US30 position would have banged out, man. We would have took a beautiful win here, right? We're sample sizing this this position here, and yeah, we would have had current candle stops there. Probably took most of our money right here, and then let it go. Oh, probably would have closed more partials here too, as we approach this resistance to the left.
All right, here we go.
Here we go. Where are we going, Uncle Scout?
We are going
To wait for a
We are.
30-minute closure.
We are going to not enter.
Yeah, you
Oh, to
got.
wait for our setup.
Yeah, we could have taken this, but it's. You got that support right here. So let's see how this candle closes. Gold. Yeah, so see, you know, you get tapped out at stop loss, and then bam, you know, it starts coming down. If you can make it too late. Was a pleasure doing business with you. Hey George, thanks man. I'll buy lifetime signals if you make it 2 lifetimes. All right, you know what? 2 lifetimes, bro. Got you. Yeah, chat. That's the new promo. That's the new deal. You buy signals 1 year, you get 2 lifetimes. I don't know how long I can keep that deal open. That's
Very good.
you get free signals in eternity. That's like 55. Can I get lifetime for free? Hey, it is what it is. 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 Do I hear 3 lifetimes? Miles said he said 2 lifetimes. Wow. Hey, y'all said 2 lifetimes, not me. I'm just joining. Trading in heaven. Was there a range 2 on GJ? Nah. On the 30-minute, I don't think so. Nah, we were just bucking around here in this chop, right? There was really nothing. Now you need a range 2, because we were very bearish on the day, right? So I wouldn't be comfortable taking buys, you know, without a range 2. Right, this daily candle to me, according to price action, looks like it want to come down to retest that support there at 180, 500. So, yeah, in order for me to take buys there, I need a range 2 breakout. But look, man, you know, gold starting to push back below this level here. So we got very little bottom wick, man. We can break these lows today and actually close bearish. So, can anticipate that happening. But why you trying to jump the gun, son? Eh?
Trying to tell the markets what it's gonna do.
Is it a good opportunity to enter now? No. Is Nick Jesus now? Hey, I try and be every day, but I know it's never gonna happen. But Jesus in disguise, man. We're all Jesus in disguise.
Greenery.
Green.
Nick's throwing 50 lots on a trade. Still shows up. Yeah. Yup. That guy TK, he knows. Yeah, this is my I've taken 3 trades on that the 400K account. I'll show you guys the trades. Yeah, this is it right here. So just yeah, 3 trades. Nothing crazy. Up about 2%.
Nothing crazy.
Yeah, 2% winner yesterday. So yeah, that's how the 400K account's going as of right now. So not bad. There's a few people asking, so I figured I'd post it there in the chat. We're gonna get a closure, belowsure, or what? 1,902 people. Shout out to all 1,992 of you. Thanks for stopping by here today on this lovely day. Lovely Tuesday.
Yeah, shout out y'all. Looking to better your life, better yourself. That's what's up. Surround yourself with winners.
Yep. Yeah, there goes that 1 hour wick fill. 4 hour coming down here. About to break 4 hour lows here. Here's the juice from 9:30. Where you been? All right, let's see if we get a top wick, and I may be interested here. Okay. What's the celery play? Oh. Yeah. Yeah, last 15 is 1 hour. Let's wait. We've been waiting so far, we'll continue to wait, right? We broke the 1 hour lows here. That means that the next candle, right? If we're making higher highs or lower lows and lower highs. Oh, sees a different color here. Let's get rid of that. If we are making lows and higher lows and lower lows, then we're probably going to come up to make another high here on the next candle and drive down. So let's wait for this 1 hour close here. Last 15 of the 1 hour, typically going to be a pullback candle, and then let's see what happens, because all we need to do is continue to be closing below this level here. Yeah, everything else looks pretty clean. Is now enough range for GJ? Let's take a look. There you go. No, we need a whole pullback on GJ. We need a range 2. Range 2. Remember what I said on the range 1, range 2 video? That as a professional trader, while you're waiting for a range 2, sometimes this is just going to happen. You can't cry and pout about it. It's not your move. You just got to let it go. Yeah, we would have had, what do we would have had here? About 15 pips if we got our entry, but never got it, so. Yeah, we might be able to get a good entry still. See if we pull back here on the 1 hour. Yep, looks good. Just wait on it. Just continue to wait on it. And wait on it. And wait on it. Hey chat, we almost had a trade here at 8:30 today. And then we almost had a trade there at 9:30. And now maybe we'll get a trade here at 10. But hey, remember, how many times have we traded late in the session here? Taking beautiful trades too. Alright, I think we counted this up yesterday. There's a lot of trades. A lot of trades taken late in the session here. 10:30, up 10:30. 10:15, 11 a.m. Look at all these 9:30 positions. Yeah, 11 a.m., 10:15, 9:30 is, you know, same thing. 10 a.m. There's a 10 a.m. trade. We're potentially looking at a 10 a.m. trade here today. The trades we took in July so far, yeah, 9:30, 10, 10:30.
All after 9:30, right?
Yeah. Man, look at here in May. Took a lot of late trades here in May. 10, 10, 10:30, 10:15, 10:30, 10, 11, 11, 10:45, 11:30. What? What was that? Break even? Oh, the whole day. Oh no, we took another trade that day. Oh, okay, we got 30 pips earlier that day, and then we took a break even trade. Yeah. Yeah, but a lot of late trades. 11 a.m. here. Let's see April. Yeah. 10:30. 10:30, 11:15, 10 a.m. 6:15 a.m. Ooh. That was an early one. Yeah, a lot of later trades. As I said, quarter, you know, we've noticed something about the volume here, and it's been pushing late, you know, late in the session. Hey, I see you. Don't do it. Wait for the candle to close. I love Nightbot. Gotta love that reminder.
Shout out Nightbot.
Shout out Nightbot.
Oh, G.
Some people can't wait. Yep, they just can't wait. No trade is better than a loss.
Yep. Remember, who you are as a person is who you are as a trader, right? So that's what you're bringing to the trading table.
Yeah, like I posted yesterday, you know, most traders, they just need to get comfy with really just doing nothing, right? And I said, like, there's a few things harder than coming, preparing, showing up, being ready, marking off your charts, and drawing up ideas and not trading. That's pretty tough for most people, right? But it's necessary. It's necessary to last long term, to have a real, right? Isn't it cool? Some of you guys now, you know, coming to the charts that you have a true edge, right? That you're not half in, half off, like, you know, Bob, like, yeah, I kind of got an edge. Yeah, I think I got an edge. Like, no, y'all got an edge, man. We got edge in this market. We got edge in this market. There's a reason there's all blues here and what, one red, one break even, one red. There's a reason for that, gang, right? It's because we're very patient. We're very, very disciplined.
And since we know what we're looking for, since we know what the trade is that we want and what we want to see, it's so much easier to avoid these unnecessary trades that the majority of the time are going to be losses, right? And we aren't profitable off the trades we take, we're profitable off the trades we don't take. So with us having a playbook, that helps us not take unnecessary trades. And that's why we're profitable, because we just take our trades. They're good in the playbook.
Yep. What does full risk mean? 10 lots. 10 lots my full risk. 10 lots full risk, and half risk is like 5 lots technically, but you know, like 8 lots. Oh wow, look at gold here. See, that's why we never jumped the gun here, gang. Some of you guys were you entered off this celery play here. I know it. I know it. Nightbot knows it, I know it, and you know it. You know that I know. See, look at that. So many entries on the break of that low there. So many entries. What would be amazing if this 15-minute candle doesn't break the high and comes all the way back down. Closes below this white line here. We're in there. New celery play. Tight stops. Tight stops. Tight stops. Right? That's another idea now that we're drawing out. Will we get it? Well, we don't know, but maybe we will, maybe we won't. But one thing we do know is we'll know in 8 minutes. Okay, so if GJ starts coming down now to create a new resistance, we'll take our buys coming back up. Yep, where's that resistance going to be formed? Probably right around here. I mean, well, we're getting the resistance. We need the support now. So that'll be our range too. Huh? Come on, man. Can I join the free Discord? Yes. Yes, you can. You drunk. So the Signals promo is 2 months free and 1 year's lifetime. Yeah, that's correct. Yup. And when you get on, if you purchase the 1 year lifetime, you get Zoom access to the stream too, if you like. Nightbot working. Oh, dang, gang. I'm over here talking about GJ. This is US30. What we doing here? Where we at? Where we at, Nick? I'm gonna have to talk to Nicholas later, guys.
Train up.
Tighten up, Nicholas.
Tighten up.
Wow, look at that. Yeah, nothing there on the Nasdaq, right? We needed a closure above. Not one of these fancy-pansy little wicks, right? We needed a closure. And look at, would you look at that, Shad? Shad, would you look at that? Look at that. We got a would you look at that position right there. So entries could have been on the flip here. So some of you guys don't know about that secret sauce that me and Shad are cooking up.
I can see it.
But would you look at it? Just look at it. Let's see, yeah, when we see something like this, I mean, all you can do until the candle flips is literally
you look at that.
just look at it.
Well,
Would you look at that?
yeah, there's a few more blemishes on the car.
Oh my gosh, just look at
The
it.
car is not perfect.
Just look at it. Just look at it.
Yeah, well-
What the heck is that? Oh, look at this. You got me running all around the car.
Yeah, the only
Haha, that guy's stupid. That guy's funny. Just look at it. Was it not arranged on GJ? Nope. What's the cost of the signals? Michael, they're in the description below. Yeah. If you could find it, you could find it.
Yeah, you're the best with that accent, bro. Seriously.
That's because I studied that man. Are you talking about the flip sauce? Yes, I am. Rita knows. Told you to sell. Hey, one big thing that Don, Raja, and a couple other guys that stream told me, they said, yo, whatever you do not listen to chat. Gang, they threw y'all under the bus. They said, whatever you do not listen to chat. Ever. So, don't listen to chat, gang. Chat, don't listen to chat.
Oh, Nightbot's calling out a juicer.
Bring out the ocean, Nightbot. Juicer. Yeah, look at this. We're bullish on the day here, gang. We want to pump back up or what?
Pump in, pump in.
1 hour onion.
Let's see how this hourly candle closes here.
1 hour onion, sir?
We broke the lows. Look at all these stop losses down here for price to potentially start to continue up now.
Sir?
Sir? Yo, chat is so awesome. Yeah, I don't know what they're talking about. My chat is... The chat over here is incredible. I listen to y'all all the time. Just not about trading. Yeah. We may have a fake out here, gang.
Wow, Nightbot.
Nightbot. Only one I listen to in chat is Nightbot.
Nightbot's a confluence.
Knife.
If Nightbot calls that a juicer, that's like adding to our confluence.
Yeah, you really don't want to know what Raja said.
I feel comfortable now because Nightbot said it.
Do you feel extra pressure trading live on stream? Nah, man, not really, honestly. It's pretty chill, man. Pretty chill. I'm a very composed guy to begin with, so I know how to handle pressure pretty well. I've been in the entrepreneurial space in the game for 10 years, so I know about pressure. Pressure makes diamonds.
There.
There was times in my life game where I was speaking in front of a couple thousand people. Suit and tie, all that. Green knows, right, Green? Chat, don't listen to us. Sir, I want to get into a trade. Into whatever trade.
They said Roger's mean to his chat.
He's a mean man.
Dude, I miss Roger's stream. He was so funny.
Yeah.
He
Network.
used to be like, you idiot. Nick looks like Adam Sandler.
Uh-oh.
Oh man.
Okay. Chat. So we did get a 1 hour close here. It did close above the range. Stops are very big. So what do we got? We got some highs here at 1934, 185. 1934, 185. We need a bottom wick though. We need a bottom wick. Yeah, we need a bottom wick. Breaking the highs. Yeah, I'm not cool with that bottom wick because we need a stop loss, right? So that was like 3 pips. So I want to see something back into this gray zone here. We buying? Oh, nice. Started journaling yesterday. Feels good. Flow of my thoughts. There it is. Yep. Yeah, man. Wait till you see how good it feels over the next month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. Yeah. Yep, look at that 4 hour now, pushing back up. Bottom wick incoming? Oh, we'll see. We shall see, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, GJ, that's what we wanna see. This now on pound yen. Nice little pullback. Nice little pullback. 1 hour candle close very strong bullish here. Nothing happened here on the pound, right? Not during the New York session. Who entered the buys, by the way? Tell us now. Let us know. We want to know now. Don't tell us when price is up here at 1938. I want to know now, chat. I want to know now. Oh, Jose's in it. Okay. Mobile Dev's in it. All right. All right. Blue Waves in the buys. Oh, all right. We got a lot of people in the buys here. Check gold, please. We're looking at gold. You're in a sell from 1931. 1931. Yeah, I'm looking at it. Would you look at it?
Someone's in cells right now.
Looks like time to alter. All right, sir, we can reverse price now. They're all in. They're all in. All right, let's see what happens here. 10:30 is going to be my cutoff here today. We'll see what happens on this lovely Tuesday. Yeah, this might be a fake out.
You shot Pal a text?
Yeah, I text him.
Alright, good.
Call up 44 pips on a GJPY. Good job, Mark Don. Good job, bro. 1 minute moving average crossover. Yeah, I'm not over trading. Matthew Wynn. Good decision, man. Don Bo called the fake out. Hey, we called the fake out too, man. We called that too. I learned from the best. From the best. Yeah, what did we say about the last 15 minute, right? 9:45. Look at that. Last 15 minutes gonna pull back. Where did it pull back to? Sheesh. Closed all the way above the range. Now that's a fake out. Yeah, so let's wait here. We don't have anything yet. Nothing. Have my finger on the trigger, but I'll wait. Good idea. Nick called that fake out. It's not a fake out, bro. We broke resistance with volume. It's a buy. Man, I'm talking about down here, bro. I'm talking about this 15 minute right here. Oh, you talking about this one? It's a buy? Okay. Sounds good. Sounds great. You guys ever ate frosted flakes? Sounds great. Or whatever.
Some of you guys are playing the wrong game with me.
Be careful with your eyes. Looking at two streams. Yeah. Yeah. You're not that guy. Nightbot. Chill, Nightbot. Chill, Nightbot. Yeah, I told you. I called Pal. Said reverse it. They're in. I told 2,000 people to enter buys. Now reverse it. Bro, moving his stops. Yeah, don't listen to the YouTube guy.
Mama says, mama says, mama says.
What?
Someone goes, mama says, mama says.
The less you know, the better you trade. Yo, yeah, nah, this could be a fake out. It honestly smells like one to me, but you know, we don't know. This candle, for all we know, may go bullish. And guess what? If it does, I'm happy for everyone that's in buys. But I'm not gonna enter just yet, right? This candle could push up just like this. That's what price action is saying. We're bullish on the day, right? We should be able to see a push, but I'm gonna wait here and wait for another candle to give me a little bit of a better read on the market.
The reprice alone, very high chance dropped up. I mean the high.
Yeah, if it breaks the high again, you should see a push. Why do we not take sales on the Nasdaq? Let's see. I followed you on IG. Hey, FB's in the house. What up, FB? Sorry if I missed your comment. I know you always pop in here. Say hi to me in green. Let me scroll up a little bit. Nick, you play any games? Yeah, the game of life. I play the game of life. Other than that, me play no games. FB, yeah. Hi FB, how are you? Good to see you here today. No stop loss, gang. Nick's got one of the best. He's from Mississippi.
I'm in cells.
Yo, that's too funny.
You learn buys, you learn sells. Damn.
Like a bloodhound. I'm smelling it. Just coming in. Did I miss anything? Oh yeah. Yeah, you missed a lot. You missed a lot here today. But in terms of trades, nope. But trades aren't the most important thing here anyway. Good morning. Yeah, you can come in now. What it do? How was your rest?
Yell when it's time to enter.
It does,
position. I'm
but
gonna be
I
busy right now.
just make things easier this morning. Yeah. You want to say hi to everyone? Anna says hi, everyone. The queen of time to eat.
Anna,
What up, Anna?
queen.
The queen.
You're not gonna get off sweetie.
Nah.
Someone goes, where are the NPCs?
I was
the ones
driving
that
and
say
watching.
buy or sell. Yo, Miles, that's funny, bro.
Yeah, the only game I play is the game of life, man. Haven't played video games in about a decade. Run it up, run it up. Oh, look at this. There's our bottom wick. Anna the Queen, also teaching Spanish to Nick. Yes, exactly. Oh, Lele's up too now. She's knocking at the door. I kind of missing Maverick's car on the background. Yeah, me too a little bit, right? Maverick's whip. Oh, what we got here? Sheesh, this candle's all over the place here. Trading is a video game. Yeah, I play the game of life and the game of trading. Nothing better than playing the game of life, gang. Getting in the hunt day in, day out, waking up with purpose. Man, I can't even sleep at night, gang. Like, don't get me wrong. When I hit the pillow, gone, out. But man, by 3:30, 4 a.m., I'm ready to roll, man. I'm ready to get up, get the day going, separate myself from every other man that thinks they're doing something out there, and just start running. Just start running. 4 a.m. right out the gate, man. Straight into prayer, meeting with my Heavenly Father, talking, setting up the day, getting the blessings all planned out, coming and doing what we love to do. And it's incredible, man. And then doing coaching calls after this and spending time with traders. Just amazing. Just amazing. Nothing like waking up, doing what you want, when you want, with who you want, where you want, because you can, right? Time and money, baby. Can't beat it. Cannot beat it. Freedom. Freedom. Freedom.
Freedom. That's the why.
Yes, sir. You get up at 4 a.m.? Yeah. Yeah, even if we don't take trades, I still don't care. I love drawing ideas up and crossing them out if we have to, and drawing new ideas. I love the game of trading. I really do. It's one thing, you know, to be good at it. It's another thing to be good at it and love it. A lot of people that are good at it, they don't like trading. They hate trading. But they don't have a great community like all you guys, right? They can't sit in front of a good group of people and come together with a common dream and a common goal and a common vision and, you know, have fun, right? So trading can be boring when you're on your own. See this 15-minute close coming up.
Potential 15. Level 3.
Yeah. Nick, I gotta buy stuff at the high. Oh, nice. Freedom. How many hours do you sleep? 6. 6. I usually go to bed around, excuse me, around 10. Right around 10 p.m. So,
I try to get 6 hours of sleep, but
plenty of time.
5 hours is plenty.
Plenty of sleep. I get plenty of sleep. Let's see here. It's daily candle. Pushing back up. All right, let's take a look here. So probably not gonna do it. Doesn't look the hottest, to be honest. Doesn't look the best.
At least like to see a bottom wick on the fits.
Sleeper.
That's what I'm about to say. Sleep and opens up, does nothing.
Yeah, NYSE was the big mousetrap today. It was. Yep. Yeah, it was. And this is why we just didn't jump in at 9:30, right? Although we take a lot of wins at 9:30, we're not going to just jump on it, right? For the heck of it. We still need to make sure we're abiding by our plan and our setup. That's how you avoid what we talk about, the unnecessary loss, right? No reason to take that loss, or any loss for that matter, if it doesn't line up with your plan. If you take a loss going according to your plan, perfect, no big deal. But if you break the plan, taking losses, man, you got to get over that. You got to get past that.
If you want to do a long term, you definitely have to get past it.
Boys, I'm out. All right, Schmack Show. Good to have you here today, brother. See you mañana. See you mañana, player.
Got news for the rest of the week.
Yeah, we got big boy
that's what I'm about
news
to
here.
say.
Yeah, no
Big
bottom
boy
wick
news
here, so
tomorrow.
definitely not touching that.
Yeah.
Scared money don't make money? Hey, we making money. We make money all day, brother. That's what we do. We're real good at making money.
CPI. PPI.
Jake, message me on Discord, Jake. I can give you option for like PayPal or something too. Scared money don't make no money. I get 2 hours of sleep? Oh, jeez. Oh, dang. Yeah, gold's cooking up for tomorrow, I think, gang. Not much going on here.
Yeah, I think so too.
All right. Oh, they're popping balloons out there. Other than gold, what do you trade? Pound yen, and probably starting in August, we're gonna start to move on to US30 here. Yeah. Yep, probably in August we're gonna introduce US30 and Nasdaq. So the reason I think I seen somebody asking about why not take the sells. No top wick. Simple. That's simple answer.
Chug.
Chug. I'm still waiting for somebody to type that in the chat.
Chug. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We got chug.
Why is my stop? Oh, why did I lose 3K? I over leveraged by mistake. I opened up like a 40 lot when I normally open up a 10 lot. I was showing somebody something on Magic Keys the night before and totally forgot to switch it back. So yeah, it was a 10 pip $4,000 loss there. So that was my fault for not paying attention, right? But it is what it is. Take it on the chin and move on. Still stacking here. Chop, chop, chop.
This thing is not moving.
Yeah, I think the best, like, I'm just looking at the daily. Now we'll get a candle to close above all them wicks. Tomorrow, clean traffic going up.
Yeah.
CPI.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Big old juice box. Big old juice box. You know, like one of them ones with the big old straw sticking out the top. Bends over before you.
The ones that you can bend.
Slurp it up.
What do you do besides trading? Nothing. No, literally. I do education now too, which is, it's been fun. You know, I've always liked it. I was in network marketing years ago before this, and I always had a passion and love for people, meeting with people, and you know, hearing about their journey, their story, and seeing how, you know, we can help them out. So that's pretty much all I do now outside of trading. Is I was just trading for a while there, but you know, once we kind of jumped on YouTube and we started getting a lot of demand, can you help us? Can you teach us? So, you know, we started to open up somewhat of a educational platform, which is the Time to Eat Elite program. And that's an 8-week mentorship program that we run, but that's all closed down now till September. All the spots have been filled on that. So, but that's been great. You know, it's been fun doing coaching calls with these guys after the stream and throughout the afternoon sometimes. So it's really all I do. Everything I do revolves around trading at this point. So you took a 4K loss? Nah, luckily that was actually only on my 100K account. That was before I had the 400K. So yeah, that's right here. So look, I opened up a 35 lot there and only lost like 10 pips. But so that loss should have only been 1,000. So I could have been ahead maybe another 3K here. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, I could be up like, or 8, 9, 10. So could have been up like 10.5 right now, 10,000. But I ain't worried about that. No trade today? It's looking like no trade day. We see you, don't do it. Watch gold not give us any. Hey. Yeah, I agree. It is what it is. Yeah, it doesn't seem like anything's good here. Even the 1 hour candle's not really doing much. Not doing much here. Let's see. Yeah, we got CPI coming in tomorrow, gang. So that's price may just kind of notice how we're just back in the original range today. All right, you guys notice we're just back kind of where we started. Nothing really happened. You know, yeah, we had some nice pushes and some candles. We had no entries. You know, nothing really major happened here today. Hey, yo, where's Nico been? Maybe I should start whistling. He'll come in. Start whistling, Nico coming and thing like, yo, stop whistling.
I was thinking about that the other day.
No, I love Nico. Hey, shout out to Nico, because you know what? I shouldn't be whistling anyway, right? I'm just full of joy. Full of joy. Oh, there goes the 1 hour. Nice. Start breaking the highs again. Yeah, it's not my trade. Not really my trade. It's not bad, though. Nice fake out back into the range there.
Hey, peace out, Lerone.
What didn't we like? We didn't like the 15, right? We didn't. Yeah, we also popped with no bottom wick there.
Peace out, Daniel.
All right, I'm gonna get up out of here, gang. I'll answer a couple more questions here, and then we'll get going, and we'll just reset here for tomorrow. Let's take a look at Forex Factory real quick as we move into tomorrow. Get ready for that now. You got, some FOMC meetings at 9:45, but the big news tomorrow is gonna be at 8:30. We got CPI at 8:30 coming in. We got the month, we got the year, the core, all that good stuff. We're gonna probably wait for positions there. Now, we have a strategy with CPI that has worked about 10 out of 10 times. And oh no, you know what? It didn't work one time. Wait, yeah, I don't think it happened one time out of 10. So 9 out of 10 times we've seen something that really works well during CPI. So I'm not gonna let you in on that today. Come tomorrow to the stream to find out our secret recipe strategy for CPI news. But you'll have to come back tomorrow for that. But we got CPI, then we also have PPI here on Thursday, along with unemployment claims as usual, and the landscapers I'm sure will be here. And then yeah, we just got these prelims at 10 a.m. on Friday. So we're gonna get some direction here over the course of the next couple days, and that's gonna be really nice for us as gold wants to start making some moves. I think the higher time frames will start to give us some better direction, right? Monthly's bearish, weekly's bullish, daily's bullish. We kind of want to get some of these time frames talking the same language here, and that's probably going to be it here for today. Yeah, that's going to be it. Not much of a range. If you guys are still in the buys, amazing job, great job. Just play your position, play your role, plan your trade, and trade the plan. Or yeah. Let's see here. Any more questions? Can you go over all pairs before going offline? I wish I could, brother. I wish I could, but I got a smoking hot wife out there and 2 beautiful children that are calling my name, and no trades here. Nothing looking too good here. Yeah, China's getting smart. Shout out to China. China been smart. How much you pay in taxes? Whoa, bro. Why did? All right, chat. Yeah, that's gonna be it, gang. That's it. That's the day. Love you guys. If you haven't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel on the way out. Like the stream on the way out. And let's come back tomorrow ready to go. Bulletproof, good mindset, fresh mindset. Whatever happened today, that was today. We come back tomorrow. It's a brand new day, brand new start, fresh look, and yeah, we'll make it happen. So love you guys. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. W's in the chat. Hey, W's in the chat on the way out here today. Say peace out to all the Zoom guys. Thanks for holding it down here on Zoom today, boys.
See you guys later.
Sir, my pleasure.
Hey, boys,
Fired up. All right, gang. Love y'all. Tandy, love you, bro. Scott, Austin, all the mods, Green, Red FX, Shad. Yeah, man. We'll see you guys mañana. Anthony, great day, man. We go at it again tomorrow. All right. Later, gang.
Can't wait.
Peace.
Later, gang.
Peace. And he's gone. Oh, he's gone quick. All right, gang. Love y'all. Peace. Future FX. Later, brother.
come from, you can't get that with a PJ.
Hey, yo, we gotta run that back.